All parties discussed are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This analysis is based on publicly available case status and procedural facts. We do not accuse, we analyze the legal process. And please keep in mind, the content presented in this episode is for informational and educational purposes only. It is based on publicly available records, filings, and news reports. We are not attorneys, and nothing discussed here should be interpreted as legal advice or factual determination of guilt or innocence. All parties mentioned are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Please sit back and enjoy the show.
Practice on my YouTube. Yo, it's your boy MO3. Man, we're live. We're going down. Yeah, I can't say that wet cat shit. Hold up. Yo, what it is, man? It's your boy MO3 live in a Dallas Metro play. And if you're tuned in, hell no, that shit whack in the bill. Hell no, fuck.
God. On bubble, nigga. 3G4L, nigga. Look. Another state with the game. Got my foot in the sand. Don't mention me in none of your comments. Go pick up your man. Slide and don't say nothing. They go fuck on the bitch. All they know Fats in jail, but they don't know what he did. Fuck the comments in the post. This is real life. If I ever catch a op, he gon' die that night. Bro be tryna tell me chill. No, I ain't living right. But he know I'm for the smoke, so don't believe the hype. If I got a step, then it is what it is. Balenciaga print. When I drop the little bitch, got it. Walk over him, and we won't say nothing. Fuck getting them touched, bitch, I'ma crush him. That's what I'm
saying. Body bags, I'm corrupted by homicide. Stuck in war, I'm just trying to get you dropped in somebody. Telling the gang it's only us, don't let them in. We do it on taking back 3 on everybody ain't my friend. So I'm riding with this crime. Everybody ain't your friend. Everybody ain't your partner, so I've been putting my trust inside my chopper. It's only us, don't let them in. Do it on our own if we got. Lay in your bushes till the morning if we got to, yeah.
100 pounds, I broke them down, I swear I ran through them. And if a nigga want them problems, we gon' tend to him. I'm in the trenches, relaxed, chillin' with my feet up in my handgun. Niggas just be talking, but I ain't saying nothing. I was taught to watch these niggas and keep a pistol. I be damn if I start laying with my nigga, even though I miss him. Niggas acting like bitches, I don't understand them, I don't get them. Got 'em straight out the trenches with some niggas that'll come kill. Remember when my granny told me I'm a man now? She seen a nigga go get it without no hand down. I'm a real nigga, hands down. Stay focused, ain't got time to be playing around. That's a spaceship in, I can hear what they saying now. Good cushion, the L designer symbols all on my belts. Look in the mirror, boy, you good, yeah, I'm just talking to myself. I just be thinking about the hood, like how I came up from there. And we ain't going back, no cost account, I promise, I swear. Yeah, I been going in early in the morning, stacking up this paper till this shit start getting boring. I kill you, that's warning. My niggas be on it. All the fucking money got these bitches acting horny.
Body bags, I'm corrupted by homicide. Stuck in war, I'm just trying to get you dropped in somebody. Telling the gang it's only us, don't let them in. We do it on taking back 3 on everybody ain't my friend. So I'm riding with this crime. Everybody ain't your friend. Everybody ain't your partner, so I've been putting my trust inside my chopper. It's only us, don't let them in. Do it on our own if we got. Lay in your bushes till the morning if we got to, yeah.
Let's go. Let's get it. Hit the like button.
Everybody ain't your partner, so I've been putting my trust inside my chopper. It's only us, don't let them in.
It's only us, don't let them in.
We got in your bushes till the morning if we got to, yeah.
Yeah. You heard me? It's only us, don't let them in, man. Do not let them in, man. It's only us, do not let them in, man. But y'all know, man, today is a special day. Happy Valentine's, man, to everybody that's celebrating love on this day, whether it's loving your special person, whether it's self-love, man, you deserve it. Love on yourself, they deserve it, man. Love on the person that's been dealing with your ass, you know what I'm saying, for all this time, man. Love on that person, man. And look, we love y'all, man. You feel me? We love y'all, man.
You better watch it.
Oh, shit. My bad, y'all. I ain't trying to get put between the washer and the dryer. Y'all know CB be quick to slide on a nigga. You know what I'm saying? But it is a day of love, man. It's a day of love. So we decided, man, to pop out, do something that we really bond. We bond with each other doing this, man. We really enjoy doing this. This is a hobby that me and my beloved woman both enjoy doing, man. So happy Valentine's Day. Hit the like button. Let's turn up, man. We did this very special for y'all, man. Happy Valentine's Day from room 901 to you and yours, man. Even if you're single, self-love is the best love, man. Let's get it.
Hey, where you going, quit walking fast? Like, what you want? Nah, I don't mean no harm. I ain't trying to chase you down there like that. Look though, like, I really like you. You look pretty. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thugging my pants sagging like that. Nah, this ain't no gun on me. This fake. But look though. Wasn't trying to meet you, caught me by surprise, yo. And I pulled a Maserati right beside you, yo. You told me you don't care about that, I'm like, yo, what up? You like for real, I'm like, girl, chill, I'm just playing, I swear. Swag on to me, yeah. Got 1,000 ways to show you that I want you, hope you listen. Got a couple hoes on my dick right now, don't pay them hoes, no tension. Won't go broke for a messy bitch, and don't want the bitch in my business. Is you with it? Started out texting me, now you look crazy when a hoe look at me like you pushing. You know I'm a dog and I make you waterfall. When I touch it, make you rain. I beat that pussy wall to wall. She gon' let me do it all. Whatever you do, girl, I can do better. Whatever you want, girl, I'ma go get her. Miss Aquafina, oh yeah, you wet, yeah. But I'm a demon, I get it wetter. You might think that I be lying when I say every time I see you, girl, you crying up my name. It's 3 o'clock on the dot, I'm in the spot, want you to come over. On late nights when I'm laying down, tryna sleep, yeah. I need you on side of me, you a freak, yeah. Get on top of me and ride it like a Jeep, yeah. And when we fuck, you like to fuck up all my sheets, hell yeah. I told my partners I ain't tripping right now, she might be the one. I told my partners if she call right now, you know I'm leaving, yeah. I'm catching feelings, I can't lie, I love the way she hold my gun. But she can't shoot it, but she like, babe, look, I'ma use it if they come, yeah. We on a different road now, she like, put your phone down, and baby, gon' talk to me. Then she tell me slow down when I drop that wall now. She know that I be diving deep. Whatever you do, girl, I can do better. Whatever you want, girl, I'ma go get her. Miss Aquafina, oh yeah, you wet, yeah. But I'm a demon, I get it wetter. You might think that I be lying when I say every time I see you, girl, you crying up my name. It's 3 o'clock on the dot, I'm in the spot, want you to come over.
Once again, man, happy Valentine's Day to all the lovers in the building, man. Even if it's self-love, man, love yourself, man. You feel me? Yeah, some of us got little ones, man. Love your little ones, man. Call your mama, tell her you love them. Call your daddy, tell him you love them. You know what I'm saying? Today is a day of love. I seen somebody say something about a pagan holiday. Yeah, we know that, man. We woke, we know that, man. But look, it's still a day of love, man. You know what I'm saying? Some days you just need to designate a day to love, to pamper the person that you're with. You know what I'm saying? To tell her, look, baby, you ain't got to get up, man. Lay in that bed, breakfast in bed. Here goes some flowers. Man, ain't nothing wrong with designating a day for that. You know what I'm saying? Because we all live a busy life. We all work. We all do things, man. We all be caught up in this life saying nothing wrong, whether it's a white man said it or whether you choose a day of your own. Man, pick a day to love on those that love on you or to just love yourself. Take yourself out to eat. Pamper yourself. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with that. But, you know, we woke over here too, man. We woke. We understand the pagan holiday, all of that. But we don't let that interfere with nothing, man. You know what I'm saying? But look, we here. Enough of the lovey-dovey. Let's go, Power Ranger Slayer, man, for grabbing that membership, man. You hear me? Salute to your Power Ranger Slayer, man. You've been rocking out with the gang, but you didn't put a stamp on it. You hear me? You didn't put that green stamp on it, and we appreciate you, Power Ranger Slayer, for sure. But we here, man. You know what I'm saying? We out here, we back to business. We about to end the Legal Chess week off, you know what I'm saying, with another one. This one been in the tuck, but we got to go and get it out the way, man. You know what I'm saying? We about to go and get it out the way, man. Mr. Lawton YouTube. Mr. Lawton's YouTube is under investigation. Mr. Lawton's YouTube is under investigation. Are they over there running amok? What is they doing over there? They got the people looking at him. Got his channel under investigation. What does this mean for Mr. Lawton? What does this mean for Kewon? Will Mr. Lawton be a witness? Man, what is going on over there on Mr. Lawton TV? We here to talk about it, man. We here to, you know what I'm saying, talk about it in legal check fashion. Y'all know how we do when we does it. Man, y'all hit that like button. Y'all share the live. Man, let's have fun. Let's turn up, man. But please hit the like button. Hit the like button. Let's get the likes up, man. You know what I'm saying? But real quick, Let me MO3 talk to these people real quick, man. This is how I've been feeling, man. These last
My haters want to see me fail, but I tell them, oh well, not today. Devil, you a liar. You are a liar. You get here and a nigga can't reach you, and they gotta look up to you. They don't want to do that. Nigga want to be able to look you in your face and touch you because he want to feel the same as you. You know what I'm saying? It's just like when niggas on the block. Niggas be on the block with you all year. Listen, it be 5 niggas on the block all year. One nigga leave the block, go to a spot. The next month he driving by that spot in that foreign thing. And them nearest to them 4 niggas saying, this bitch ass nigga. Hey, bitch, you too good going to the block? He just want to pull up and get some chips and leave?
Nigga.
Hey, we trying to get like you, ho?
Nigga.
5 months later, they gun them down.
Everybody ain't your friend.
You know what I'm saying?
Everybody ain't your partner.
So 5 minutes later, they gun them down. You get what I'm saying? Because they hating on the nigga. I'm not gonna be the nigga that you gun down. I'm not gonna be him. I'm not gonna let no hating ass nigga turn me down or no shit like that.
Come on, drop. I ain't writing nothing. This how I'm feeling.
Y'all heard what 3 said. Y'all heard what he said, man. Let's go.
Why they do it to me? I gave my heart to a bitch, and what she do, she crushed it. Gave my heart to a nigga, and what he do, say fuck me. Now I'm riding by myself, lonely, I'm getting money. Now I'm shining, but I won't let them take nothing from me. All my life they talked about me, they made me to blame. But if you struggle like I struggle, you would've did the same. I got family to feed, I pray for better days. And I won't let them see me weak, they gotta feel my pain. Try to throw dirt on my name, but I won't let them. Tried to convict me for that case, but I wouldn't let them. Partner got jealous on my place, but I won't let them. They tried their hardest to break me, but I wouldn't let them. They tried their hardest to break me, but I wouldn't let them. That bitch, I'm fucking a hoe. They tried to tell me. I really liked her a lot. Thought she was special. But she was fucking a nigga she thought looked better. But I ain't thinking about no looks, I'm thinking about some cheddar. Can't judge a cover by the book, the fakest be the realest. The streets done did me dirty, it's so cold I need a sweater. Mama always say she told her I don't need no lecture. But I ain't switch, I just went harder. Bitch, I'm Ali and Mayweather. Got them racks and copped the foreign. Now that boy applying pressure. I spent 30 on this watch. I'm on that neck and I won't let her. And I got 30 in this Glock, don't make me put them on the stretcher. My shoulder you can lean on, I'ma keep it G. I told my brother we on and he thought I was tweaking. Till I showed him my condo and 50 bands in my jeans. And for them hoes I used to want, I don't give a damn if they speak. All my life they talked about me, they made me to blame. But if you struggle like I struggle, you would've did the same. I got family to feed, I pray for better days. And I won't let them see me weak, they gotta feel my pain. Try to throw dirt on my name, but I won't let them. Tried to convict me for that case, but I wouldn't let them. Partner got jealous, want my place, but I won't let them. They tried their hardest to break me, but I wouldn't let them. This for the rich niggas and broke niggas. Put that money right there. Why you say broke? Cause I used to be broke, nigga. Now I count a lot of dough, nigga. Cause being broke is not an option. You either grind or I can't fuck with you. See, my mind stay was going, get it, grind by any means. And all that time I did that time, I kept it still by any means. And for my partner, I ain't lying, I would've did by anything. He crossed that line, saying shit about me, niggas be snakes, I don't need me. That's why it's fuck on. I don't need that. Don't need no ratchet hoe asking where the weed at. Fuck social media, I don't need no feedback. Don't need nobody helping me, I know where I'ma be at. All my life they talked about me, they made me to blame. But if you struggle like I struggle, you would've did the same. I got family to feed, I pray for better days. And I won't let them see me weak, they gotta feel my pain. Try to throw dirt on my name, but I won't let them. Tried to convict me for that case, but I wouldn't let them. Partner got jealous, want my place, but I won't let them. They tried their hardest to break me, but I wouldn't let them.
What they thought, man. Appreciate you, sis. Thank you, sis. We ain't gonna let them.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you, Power Ranger Slanger. Shit, y'all.
Slanger is crazy. Power Ranger Slanger is crazy.
I'm tired today, y'all. I done work shit.
Power Ranger Slanger is crazy. Hold on. What we doing? MO3 said he ain't done. Hold on.
That's the answer for it.
Why they do it
I
to
won't
me?
let her.
I gave my heart to a bitch, and what she do, she crushed it.
You heard me. We ain't gonna let them. We is not gonna let them, man. And we ain't gonna let up, man. They try to throw dirt on your name. You know what I'm saying? Motherfucker trying to take claim to some shit. We ain't gonna let them, dog. We is not gonna let them. You know what I'm saying? We staying focused, man. You hear me? It's way too easy these days to ignore the bullshit. You know what I'm saying? It ain't even fun no more. I used to have fun with the bullshit. You know what I'm saying? I used to have fun with it. It ain't even hard to ignore it. Nigga was sleeping like a baby last night. Ain't no telling what was said, but guess what? We don't even care, man. You know what I'm saying? We got things to do. You know what I'm saying? Life is good. God is blessing us, man. We have a beautiful, consistent, we got a beautiful, consistent support system over here at Room 901. And we just gonna give y'all what y'all coming for. You feel me? That's what we on, man. That is what we on. But salute to everybody in the building. Let me get to these shout outs, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know how we do, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me get to these shout outs once again. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Love on those that love on you. Even if it's yourself, man. Love yourself, man. You know what I'm saying? No matter who you with, love yourself, man. Self-love is the most important love in the world, man. You feel me? I love you, baby.
I love you more, baby.
Let's get it, man. That's all that matters, man. You know what I'm saying? And y'all, real quick, a little church announcement, man. You know what I'm saying? It's about time for us to start, you know what I'm saying? Putting bro in the game. You know what I'm saying? Code Gotti's new mixtape, new album. It's on the way. You know what I'm saying? Code Gotti new mixtape, his new album, Product of Pain. You know what I'm saying? It's on the way. Family, make sure we go subscribe to Code Gotti YouTube, man. It's pinned at the top of the chat. You know what I'm saying? If a moderator want to grab that link too and drop it in the chat, they'll be fine as well. But if you look at the top of the chat, it's most definitely pinned into the top of the chat, man. Y'all go ahead and use this time right now to go subscribe to Code Gotti. A lot of dope music over there. He pop out sometimes and do live streams. He got some live streams he already did. It's very entertaining, very good. Go check out, man. Go tap in with Code Gotti, man. But Product of Pain, Code Gotti's new mixtape, new album is on the way. As soon as he drop a date for it, we will most definitely let y'all know that date. But go ahead and get in tune with him, man. You can go follow him on Instagram, Code Gotti on Instagram. Go subscribe to his YouTube. You know what I'm saying? It's pinned to the top of the chat, man. Product of Pain is coming soon, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm a big fan of Code Gotti, man. You know what I'm saying? I want them guys, man. I like the pain music, man. I like pain music, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I've been through a lot of things, you know what I'm saying? Praise God for bringing me through, but I like that pain music, man. You feel me? All right, so let's get to it, man. Let's get to these shout outs, man. First and foremost, you know what I'm saying? We got the big sis 4L, my mother's keeper in the building, man. Always coming through, doing her job, cutting the chat on my own subscribers only. Always doing it, man. We appreciate you, man. We most definitely appreciate you, big sis. You already know what it is. Strong Survive is in the building, man. You feel me? Because only the strong survive, man. We got Dazzling Divine, little woke ass.
Hey, Dazzling Divine.
Divine, little woke ass. Talking about it's a pagan holiday, but happy Saturday. Girl, go on, Dazzling Divine. Salute to Dazzling Divine, man. You feel me? My boy Sly, he said, hey, I asked Lawton and asked Kewon about Darius Field. He knows him. He don't know him, and the other person got a bench warrant on his case. Oh shit! I'm gonna have to chop it up with you, Slide. I'm gonna have to chop it up with you on the back end. Have to lace me up, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Salute to my nigga Slide for 3, man. We got Sheila Alston in the building, man.
My Sheila.
Let's go, man. Salute to Sheila, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Salute to Making Moves in the building, man. You feel me? Salute to Tanya G in the building. And the G stand for going places, man. You feel me?
Let's go, Tanya.
Salute to Raw Talk, man. My nigga Raw Talk is in the building, man. Raw Talk been rocking out faithfully. You feel me? Stop 6 Rudy G. Straight from the funk, man. You hear me? Salute to my brother. Stop 6 Rudy G, man. Real nigga alert, man. You feel me? Who we got, man? We got South Cadet. My bad if I South Cadet in salute to South Cadet. I hope I said that right. You know what I'm saying? But salute to you, fam. You know what I'm saying? Salute to you. Got my boy the Django off the chain, Miami in the building, man. Salute to Django, man. You know what I'm saying? Phaedra, what's up with your love?
Hey, Phaedra.
Is this Mama Rise over there on Twitch? Salute,
hey,
Mama Rise. I miss you, lady. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Mama Rise over there stopping through. We got Lucky in the building, man. Salute to Lucky, dog.
What's good,
you know what I'm saying? We got Crystal in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? you already know, man. The party ain't a party without the big sis job, man. You know what I'm saying? It's
Hey,
most definitely.
sis.
It's most definitely only us. Salute to you, sis. You know we love you, girl. Positive vibes. What's up with you? What's up with you?
Vibes.
Vibes in the building, man. Then we got my other brother, real nigga alert. My nigga Slow
walking.
Walking. It's in the building, man. You feel me? Walk him down, man. Walk him down, my guy. You know what I'm saying? We got Brown Sugar, baby. It's in.
Let's go,
man. She been rocking out with us faithfully as well, man. Look, I'll be paying attention. You know what I'm saying? A couple of y'all finna get that blue pistol on y'all in a minute, man. You know what I'm saying? A couple of y'all finna most definitely get that blue tool on deck. You know what I'm saying? Salute to AB, my motherfucking G, man. We love you, AB. You know what I'm saying? Salute to AB, man. Always rocking out with us, man. You feel me? Let's go, man. Who else we got in here? Y'all make sure y'all hit the like button as well, man. Hit the like button, gang. You know what I'm saying? Power Ranger Slayer already let her present.
PRS.
You know what I'm saying? She most definitely grabbed her membership, man. You know what I'm saying? Stamped her affiliation, man. You feel me? Stamped her affiliation. Let's go, man. We got Miss Thing 214. Miss Thing 214. She said I be attacking people. You know what I'm saying? Miss 214, I don't mean no harm. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I gotta work. I do have some character flaws, like we all do. I gotta work on sometimes, but it's all love, man. You know what I'm saying? I try my best to spread love and positivity. You know what I'm saying? That's all I try to do, man. Especially these days, man. But it's all good with me, Miss Thing 214. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. There go Power Ranger Slayer, grab her membership. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? Once again, thank you. Needs improvement, don't we all? You know what I'm saying? Salute to needs improvement in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? We got the good sis Copper Sunshine.
Copper.
What's up with your sis? You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all having a beautiful day out there today, man. I hope y'all having a beautiful day. Don't let nothing or nobody get in the way of y'all enjoying y'all day, man. Salute to Take Off, man. You hear me? Let's go, man. He said, oh, yeah, there in my purse. Let me turn around. And I don't know what you talk about. I don't know. But salute to you, Take Off. Salute to you, Take Off. I don't know if you're finna reach in your purse and grab that thing. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Road Runner, man. You got Road Runner in the building. We got Jordan King in the building, man. Y'all make sure y'all step on that like button, man. If you already hit the like button, put a gorilla in the chat, man. If you haven't, make sure you hit the like button. We got over 200 people in the building thus far, man. Let's make sure, man, we at least at 100 or better, man. Please, family, can we do that? We appreciate you, man. We got Homebody in the building, man. You know what I'm saying?
Go.
Happy anniversary, man. To my beloved sister, man, our beloved gang. You know what I'm saying? Happy anniversary to you and yours, man. And happy Valentine's Day, man. Enjoy your day, man. She 12 years in the gang with hers. She 12 years in the gang with her man, dog. And it's happy anniversary, man. That's a long time these days. You feel me?
Sure.
Salute to Candace Wig in the building, man. What's up with you, sis? African Goddess came through once again with her $10, man. Let her presence be felt, man. She said, salute Josh and CB. I'm at work and listening. Salute to the chat. Man, African Goddess be working her ass off, man. Salute to African Goddess, man. You know what I'm saying? Hope we can get you through at least some of this day. You know what I'm saying? At least through some of this day. You feel me? Let's go, man. Who we got in here, man? We got Dion Ellison in the building. What's up with you, gang? We got my boy Straight Ballin' in the building,
my
dog.
My boy right there. What's up, Straight Ballin'?
By way of sidewalk gang. You know what I'm saying? Salute to the sidewalk gang. We got the sister-in-law, Sherry. What's up with you, Sherry?
Hey, sissy.
We got Sherry. We got Sherry in the building, man. You know we love your sister-in-law. You know what I'm saying? That blood right there. You feel me? Let's go, man. Who else we got in the building, man? We appreciate everybody for pulling up. Everybody that's in the building, man. We got another dope Legal Chess episode for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me scroll down. Miss New York, what's up with your sister?
Hey, Miss New York, sis.
And happy Valentine's Day to you and yours. Big Bag, what's up, little head ass nigga?
Yeah, knucklehead ass nigga.
What's up with you, man? You know what I'm saying? Good to see you, good trolling ass nigga. Copper Sunshine came through with her $4.99 contribution, man.
Sunshine.
You know what I'm saying? Helping us get one step closer to our goal. You know what I'm saying? She said happy Valentine's Day to Josh CB and everyone in room 901. Likewise to you, sis. Happy Valentine's Day, man. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate that $4.99 most definitely. We got my boy JD in the building. Real nigga alert. What's up, my nigga? You know what I'm saying? Another real nigga alert. My boy Big Roast is in the building, dog. Hey, Roast, man. Look, I've been wanting to do a versus, man. Get up with me, man. You know what I'm saying? get up with me. We can do it on your channel. I just want to do a versus, man, R&B versus, because I don't think I was, today Valentine's Day, so I was in my R&B bag. And I was like, man, I don't think nobody fuck with my R&B bag, man. I'm gonna be honest, man. You know what I'm saying? Now, if you want to go 90s, whatever, I'm just saying in general, whether we play 90s, 2000s, 2020, ain't nobody fuck with my R&B bag, man. You know what I'm saying? Big Rose, hit me up, man. I'll hit you up on IG. Let's get a versus in, man. You feel me? I'll try to get everybody over there, you know what I'm saying, all the supporters. Let's do a versus, man. Let's set that up, man. You feel me? Salute to my nigga Rose, man. We got Vaughn in the building, man, with her $5 contribution, man. You know what I'm saying? Happy Valentine's Day to you as well, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. We got Nika in the building. What's up, Empress? What's up, man?
My Nika boo. That's my boo right there.
I'm about to say, get it all out there.
That's my Nika boo.
Nah, we love us a Nika over here, man. You know what I'm saying? We may disagree sometimes, you know what I'm saying? But I love me some Nika. That's a sweet woman right there. And happy Valentine's Day to you and yours as well, man. That's a married woman right there. You feel me? Salute to Nika, man. We most definitely appreciate that $9.99 contribution, man, helping us get one step closer to our goal, man. Hood's Queen. What's up with you, girl? What's up with your love? You know what I'm saying? We got my boy Isaac Callow. Let me slow down. We got my boy Isaac Holloway in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Isaac.
He's a new subscriber and he's coming from Chi-Town, I believe. So salute to you. He says he's subscribed to us via watching the Trap Boy Freddy Highway Breakdown. So salute to you.
Go, man. Let's go, Isaac, man. Salute to Isaac, man, and welcome to Room 901, dog. I hope you love it here, man. You know what I'm saying? Get comfortable, make yourself at home. Mi casa is su casa. You feel me? Welcome to the channel, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to IGT in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? My motherfucking girl, man. Happy Valentine's Day to you and the big homie Mahia, man. Happy Valentine's Day to y'all, man. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Salute to everybody in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Pooh Lewis, salute to you. We got Pooh Lewis in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? He said he checking in from Chicago. What she say?
Josh, stay Josh.
You know I gotta josh sometimes, but I gotta josh. I wouldn't be me if I wasn't joshing, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to T. Lee in the building, man. Real nigga alert. You know what I'm saying? Salute to all the real niggas in the. My bad, y'all. I'm gonna stop saying that, man. You know what I'm saying? Cause we distinguish. Salute to the real men in the building, man. You feel me? Salute to the real men. We real men first, then we real niggas, man. Salute to the real men in the building, man. I appreciate seeing the presence of these brothers in the building, man. Salute to y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to y'all, most definitely, man. You know what I'm saying? 5 Texas 5. What's up with you guys that come on with the show, man? Don't rush us, nigga. No,
always rushing us. That's him that's always rushing us, ain't it?
Don't know. This my first time seeing him over here, man. But don't rush us, nigga.
Don't start your shit. Don't start your shit.
Yeah, don't start, man. You know what I'm saying? But salute to you, nigga. Salute to you. Mr. Abney.
Go ahead, baby.
Mr. Abney, man, what's up with you, man? We appreciate you becoming a new member, dog. You know what I'm saying? Mr. Abney on his way from
Mr. Abney.
He on his way from getting one of them blue things. You know what I'm saying? The Empower right. Oh, okay. She been a member. She just renewed her membership, man. Let's go, man. Let's go.
Boys in the building too.
Who is my boy?
Hold on, let me.
Oh shit! I see his knucklehead ass down there. He finna go buy him some booty on Valentine's. I know what he on. You know what I'm saying? He at ATM right now. You know what I'm saying? He at ATM right now, getting nothing but 20s. He finna go buy him some ass. That's what he got. He finna go buy some ass on Valentine's Day. Salute the Rainwater in the building, man. I already said Lucky. Pretty Gems, what's up with your love? You know what I'm saying? Your boy Ryan finna go buy him some ass, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Scorekeeper came through, man, with the love over there on Twitch. 901 is in the building. We most definitely appreciate it.
Hey, Scorekeeper, thank you.
You know what I'm saying? My boy said new sub. Salute to everyone. What's up with you, Aaron? Salute to you, man. Welcome to Room 901, man. Welcome to Room 901, man. We hope that you enjoy yourself here, man. Kick back, kick your feet up, man. Mi casa is su casa, man. It's our shit. You feel me? Welcome, dog. Welcome. Let's get it, man. Mr. T is in the building, man. I pity the fool.
Mr. T.
You know what I'm saying? I pity the fool to try to stop what the hell we got on, man. You feel me? He said, hold on. He's scared, Josh. I've been excellent for a versus. Yeah, Rose don't want no smoke. He be out here picking his little battles. I be seeing him pick and choose. Now, nigga, get the smoke, nigga. What's up, Cat Eyes? Salute to Cat Eyes, man.
Hey, Cat Eyes.
You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. Who else we got in here? Karen Spencer. What's up with you, Karen?
Hey, Karen.
You know what I'm saying? We got Black Prime TV in the building, dog.
Hello, Black
you know
Prime
what I'm saying?
TV.
We got Mr. Rob in the building, man. What's up with you, Rob? They're gonna Rainwater. You know what I'm saying? We got old Rain in the building, man.
Big waterhead.
Salute the Rainwater, man. You know what I'm saying? We got Mr. T in the building. I already said Mr. T then. But he came with a $10 super sticker, man. That what made me click on it, man. He came with a $10 super sticker, man. We appreciate that, Mr. T. You feel me? But if y'all trying to help us meet the goal, you know what I'm saying? We accept super stickers now. We don't care about no goal. You know what I'm saying? We all love equals up. But if you're trying to help us complete the goal, make sure that it's a $10 super chat. A super chat and not a super sticker. But hey, we'll add that to it. You know what I'm saying? That most definitely.
Thank you for the $10, Mr. T.
It's the same thing, my guy. You know what I'm saying? It's the same thing. You feel me? We most definitely appreciate it, man. You know what I'm saying? Who else we got in here, man? Who else we got in here? You know what I'm saying? I want to make sure I salute to all the beautiful souls that come out and rock with us, man. I don't care how long it take. You know what I'm saying? We got to do it, man. You feel me? We got to do it. Okay, we got Rooster Fish in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. We got the OG Audio Crack in the building, man. One of the niggas, man. One of the dudes, man. I came in this game watching, man, 6 years ago, man. Salute to Audio Crack, man. You know what I'm saying? The boy was over there breaking down the King Von and the MO3 case. I ain't seen nobody else break that King Von case down like Audio Crack, man. Salute to Audio Crack in the building, dog. You know what I'm saying? Homage, man. Number homage and respect, man. Vic, what's up with your OG? You know what I'm saying? He said happy V-Day to all the ladies and salute brothers.
Thank
you. Know what I'm saying? We most definitely appreciate that $2 contribution, man. You know what I'm saying? Mr. T came back with another $5, man. Let's go. He said, I'm gonna make sure I hit that, man. You know what I'm talking about, man.
Mr. T.
You know what I'm saying? Salute to Mr. T, man. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I see we are at the bottom, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. We appreciate you, family. We most definitely appreciate you, Mr. T. You know what I'm saying? All right, we here now. We are here now, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to anybody that may be watching in the bushes, whether you watching because you a hater or whether you watching, you know what I'm saying, because you just busy tied up right now. We understand it's all love, man. You know what I'm saying? It's all love, y'all. But before we get to the show, let's make sure, man, we hit the like button, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, shit. See, if it makes make a comeback, got something to say. Let's go, man. Can a moderator please click on Audio Crack's page? What's up, Abdul? What's up, my guy?
Money my Maya, girl, NOF. I love you, NOF.
Money Maya Last Check is in the building. NOF is in the building. My boy Ben is in the building. But moderators, can y'all please click on Audio Crack TV, his channel, and please drop his link in the chat, please. Amazingly beautiful. If you can do that for me, or if a moderator could please do that for me, I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. Don't mind me. What's up to you, man? Happy Valentine's Day back to you, man. Salute to Black love, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to love in general, because we don't know where everybody come from, man. But salute to Black love, man. You know what I'm saying? Black love is under attack. You know what I'm saying? It's always been. They're trying to tear up the family dynamic. They're trying to make sure, man, that the black man, the black woman don't even know how to love each other, man. You know what I'm saying? But, man, shout out to Black love, man. Black people, let's make sure we loving on each other, man. It ain't got to be relationship. Just make sure, man, we spread love, bro. It's so easy to do, man. I don't know why everybody choose to hate when love is so easy to do. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Vic for coming through once again, man, for that $2, man. You know what I'm saying? All right. There we go, man. Make sure y'all go follow Audio Crack. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all go follow the OG Audio Crack, man. One of the men that inspired me. You know what I'm saying? So you like what I do over here? This one of the OGs right there, man. Y'all make sure y'all go tap in with Audio Crack, man. All right, but we here. Boom. Because we got niggas like Texas Fire down there that ain't got no patience. What's up, Kevin? You know what I'm saying? What's up with you, Kevin? What's up, gang? You know what I'm saying? So for the people ain't got no patience, we finna get to the show. We about to get to the show, man. You know what I'm saying? But y'all already know y'all rocking with your boy Josh. You know what I'm saying? Rocking with your girl CB. You know what I'm saying? And we about to get on to the show, man. Baby, you wanna bring this in?
Of course. Salute to everybody in the building. If you have not hit that like button, please make sure you go ahead and hit that like button. If you find it in your heart to donate to the goal, make sure you do that as well. But again, the like button is free and your support and energy is needed over here at Room 901. Welcome.
No, definitely. We are nothing without y'all. We ain't nothing without y'all.
For sure. Welcome to MO3 Legal Chess, episode number 26. Kewon White, jail live streams exposed. Mr. Lawton YouTube under investigation. We are about to talk about it, y'all, okay? In case y'all are not familiar with who Mr. Lawton is, right? Mr. Lawton and moderators, if y'all don't mind, could y'all grab his channel link and please put it in the comment section if you do not mind. Mr. Lawton has been on this journey with Kewon for a little while now. Kewon is the alleged shooter of MO3, all right? So the guy that was running down the highway that is alleged to, well, they are saying that is Kewon, okay?
Now that's Kewon. My bad, go ahead, baby.
Okay, so Mr. Lawton, salute Nutter. Mr. Lawton has been documenting basically Kewon's journey, okay? He's been documenting Kewon's journey, and they have some conversations, and most of their conversations happen on YouTube where the audience can hear. Well, Mr. Lawton came out with something the other day. He kind of flashed it on the screen, and not a lot of people may have caught it. A lot of you may have. However, I'll show it to you all today if you have not seen it, okay?
What's up, Nutter? What's up with you, my guy?
So let me go ahead and take this down and put this up. This is what Mr. Lawton flashed on his screen. Now, it is a little bit blurry because, again, I do say that Mr. Lawton flashed it on the screen. So I'll try my best to read it to y'all on what I can. I'll probably read the first few sentences. So bear with me. Let me get up so I can go to the TV.
But don't worry about it, child. We put it through the legal chess machine, and you know what I'm saying? The legal chess machine most definitely going to read it and break it down for you.
All right. So I'll read the first couple of sentences. As we see, it is a notification from Google. All right. It says user notice at google.com. Google, dear Google user, on January 30th, 2026, Google, I don't know. Oh, I see it. Google received a legal process issued by Dallas Police Department, Texas. All right. So basically, they're sending him a notice saying they received some type of notice or something from Dallas Police Department, right? Directing Google to produce something related to his account. Now, again, what I can tell y'all is Mr. Lawton and Kewon have conversations on YouTube, okay? Again, Kewon is the alleged shooter of MO3, all right? So what is this about? What could this mean for Mr. Lawton? What could this mean for Kewon? We're about to get into it. Go ahead.
Hold on. Let's see. Okay, baby gave y'all the nice, clean, so sophisticated, politically correct version. So let me give y'all my version. Mr. Lawton and Kewon been over there on straight bullshit. Salute to my nigga Mr. Lawton, man. I fuck with Mr. Lawton. Don't get it fucked up. I fuck with Lawton. To me, he's a good dude, man. You know what I'm saying? Kewon is Kewon. You know what I'm saying? But they've been over there on straight bullshit. You feel me? They've been over there talking about the case, talking about discovery, talking about who cooperating. They've been over there taking money to answer questions about the case. A nigga on a jail call. You know what I'm saying? He over there on a jail call and doing these things. Man, something ain't right. What the hell is going on? You know what I'm saying? Like my hair be saying, this is unprecedented, man. We ain't never seen a nigga going through a high-profile murder trial, YouTube, by way of a jail phone, and down there hold down a live stream. Salute to him over there. Salute to Mr. Lawton. Y'all make sure y'all go tap in if you want to. You know what I'm saying? But they been over there on straight bullshit. You know what I'm saying? And this is what bullshit get you. You know what I'm saying? Bullshit get you investigated. Bullshit get you having a close eye on you, especially when you're doing bullshit with a bullshitter. So you know what I'm saying? You're doing bullshit with a bullshitter. You know what I'm saying? So we about to get into it, man. I just had to get that out, man. I was about to say, God damn, you a little bit too nice. You know what I'm saying? But let's go, man.
All right. So I guess I'm playing nice guy today. So I'm good cop, you bad cop.
What's
all
up
right.
with your one ratchet ass and nigga? Now we gonna let it go how it go. Cause that's the feelings. You know what I'm saying? It's legal chess time. So I got my feelings out. You know what I'm saying? Now let's break it down factually because it's fact over feelings over here. I did holler at Mr. Lawton. I commented under the other live. He said, all right, cool, nigga, just don't put 20 on 10. So we gonna handle it factually, man. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna tell y'all what it is. With that, we finna discuss all the possibilities. Why is this channel under investigation? Is this a subpoena? What can come from this? What's going on? What triggered the investigation? We about to go through all that, man. So y'all make sure y'all hit the like button, shut the live out, please, 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 man. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it, baby. Salute to my nigga, one wretched ass nigga, man.
All right. So I got the banner taken down. Here we go, y'all. what the Google email actually says. From what's visible in the screenshot, it's from usnotice@google.com. Subject line, notification from Google. It states that Google received a legal process issued by the Dallas Police Department, Texas. The legal process directs Google to produce records relating to specific Google accounts linked or associated with an identifier. The recipient is being notified because their Google account is linked or associated with that identifier.
Let's go.
It references the Electronic Communications Privacy Act, 18 U.S.C. 2701. It states that unless Google receives what does that say? I can't, hold on, that thing in my way, y'all, hold on.
Unless Google.
Okay, I see it.
You got it?
Hold on, I think so. Yeah, okay. It states that unless Google receives a file-stamped motion to quash, they may provide responsive documents. It says Google cannot provide legal advice. It instructs that responses must include the case reference number and be directed to Google Legal Investigations Support.
Smell like an investigation. What y'all doing over there, man?
All right. What that means in plain English. Let's get to it. This is not a random email. This means, 1, law enforcement served Google with legal paperwork, likely a subpoena, search warrant, or court order. Number 2, Google is legally required to notify the account holder unless it's a sealed warrant.
All right, which we know is not a sealed warrant because they did notify Mr. Lawton. We showed y'all the email.
Number 3, Dallas police are requesting account records, possibly IP logs, login history, account recovery emails, YouTube data, Gmail content if warrant level, possibly payment activity through YouTube monetization. This is part of a criminal investigation, and it references a specific identifier, which could be a YouTube channel, a Gmail account, a device, an IP address, a phone number linked to the Google account.
Well, could be one of all of those things. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, for those that do hold a channel, it's certain information that you got to put in, especially when you monetize. You got to put an email in, then your address, phone number, all of those things. You know what I'm saying? So, and we're gonna get into that further. But when you read that, it just dawned on me, like, dang, could they be wanting phone information too? Not just the live stream, but also the phone information. It's interesting. Email information. Let's go.
Well, what stood out to me was this portion of it here, that Dallas police are requesting account records, possibly IP logs, login history, account recovery emails, YouTube data, Gmail content if warrant level, possibly payment activity through YouTube monetization. This is part of a criminal investigation.
Let's go.
All right. So let's go down.
But we are not saying that Mr. Lawton is in any trouble. We ain't saying he ain't. Let's figure it out. Let's continue to read.
All right. What is the legal chess here? Number 1, why would Dallas police subpoena Google? Here are possible reasons. A, evidence preservation. They may be collecting archived live streams, unlisted deleted streams, chat logs, super chat records, IP logs for callers, account admin information. If Kewon is discussing discovery materials, witness identities, cooperators, evidence not yet public, that could violate jail communication rules, potentially be considered witness tampering if threats are implied, potentially interfere with prosecution strategy, create admissions usable at trial.
And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, it's a lot of that going on. I heard Kewon say the other day that they are investigating 2 people in the death of Bubba. Now that was good information for me, you know what I'm saying, and others who cover this case, you know what I'm saying, long live Bubba, justice for Bubba. You know what I'm saying? But Kewon most definitely came out and said, amongst a lot of other stuff he done said, but the most recent thing that I heard Kewon say is that they are investigating, the police are investigating 2 people it's tied to the death of Bubba. Now, I'm pretty sure that Kewon ain't supposed to be letting this out because they ain't even let it out. You know what I'm saying? You know, so is that interfering? Because what if the 2 people listening? You know what I'm saying? What if that is a dog whistle to the 2 people that they probably be free and listen to Kewon? We don't know. You know what I'm saying? We don't know, and I'm pretty sure the police probably don't know. You know what I'm saying? But if you get out saying certain things like that, you got to know, Kewon, man, that ain't smart. You know what I'm saying? Because if they wanted us to know that they're investigating it, they would tell us. They would tell us. But let's go back. My bad. Continue. Y'all please hit the like button, family. Please hit the like button. For those that's coming in, we are discussing Mr. Lawton's channel being under investigation. He got the Gmail. His channel is under investigation.
Number 2, discovery discussions equal a huge problem. In most felony cases, discovery is provided to defense counsel. Defendants are usually instructed not to publicly distribute it, not to intimidate witnesses, not to discuss certain sealed evidence. If he is publicly naming cooperators or discussing sealed evidence, the state could argue obstruction, witness intimidation, violation of bond conditions, if applicable, jail rule violations, consciousness of guilt statements. And here's the important part. Anything he says can be used as an admission under Texas Rules of Evidence 801E2. That means it's not hearsay. It becomes evidence.
Now we all know, we all know, but another thing I heard Kewon say, admit, now he didn't say them by name, but you know what I'm saying, he'll let other people say it. Like one time he let me say it in the chat, and he'll just say yay or nay. You know what I'm saying? So we know that Kewon has been saying over there on that platform that Jose Bodega, even though we all know that, you know what I'm saying, but he been saying out of his mouth as a co-defendant in this MO3 trial, he's been saying out of his mouth, man, Jose Bodega, he talking, he telling. So he's identifying a witness. I'm just saying. Now, I ain't heard him make no threats towards him, none of that stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know exactly where they fall legally, but I most definitely heard him over there over a few times discuss witnesses and all of that stuff. Who's in his paperwork, discovery. I heard him say
that. Cherry Sister Devin don't talk. He came out and said one thing, and that was at the beginning of this thing. He said the people that, what did he say, baby?
He said everybody that played their part will have their day. It's a movie, GRC that, and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. And he hasn't talked since, but he is in jail.
Yes.
All right. Money component. We are at number 3. Why that matters.
Now, hold on. Pause real quick, because I want them to know what we mean by money component. You know what I'm saying? Because over there on Mr. Lawton channel, Kewon, man, I didn't change some things up since this subpoena came. I mean, since this email came through, because we ain't gonna say it's a subpoena. You know what I'm saying? But since this email came through to let him know that his channel is under investigation, they done switched a lot of shit up. You know what I'm saying? But before that, Kewon was over there charging people, and this ain't me hating on nigga pockets. Do what y'all do. You know what I'm saying? But Kewon was over there making people pay him to answer questions about the case, making people pay him to hit the panel, and he doing all this from jail, y'all. You know what I'm saying? He doing all this from jail through a jail phone. You know what I'm saying? Kewon's over there making people pay him or asking people to pay him, and he'll answer whatever question they want about his case or about the situation. Yeah, what do that sound crazy? Like, they don't even sound like you should be able to do that. I'm just gonna be honest with you. You know what I'm saying? But let's go, baby. Let's cook. Let's get to the money component.
All right. Number 3, money component. Why that matters. So we said he's charging money to answer case questions. That introduces potential issues. Jail monetization scheme, possible violation of jail rules, financial tracing, possible profiting from criminal notoriety. Though Texas doesn't have a strong son of Sam statute like some states, Super Chat records could identify supporters and contacts.
So if you sent the Super Chat over there, they might be looking into your shit. You feel me? If you sent the Super Chat over there asking a question, yeah, they may be looking at your shit. Like, who is this person asking this question? You know what I'm saying?
That's crazy. That just threw me off. That is really, really, really.
And you
crazy.
think about it like this, because we in the know, right? So some of the people who send super chats and stuff, we know who they are. You know what I'm saying? Some of them we know who they are. But if you put yourself as the police or a investigator or a detective or whatever, you don't know who these people are. So could these be people, other criminals possibly funding? You know what I'm saying? Sending money that way for this and that. You know what I'm saying? Just under disguise and they don't know what the hell this YouTube space is. They don't know nothing about the MO3 sector. They don't know none of these subscribers. You know what I'm saying?
If law enforcement subpoenas Google, they could obtain Super Chat payout info, associated AdSense account, the linked bank account, IP data of channel operator, channel manager access logs.
And again, y'all, we just discussing all the logical possibilities. So Mr. Lawton don't go live and be like, they said it's going to happen. They said this going to happen. No, we just discussing all the possibilities, man. All the possibilities.
Number 4, well, why target Mr. Lawton's account? Let's break it down. Because Kewon is calling in from jail. Police likely cannot directly access jail phone content without process. But they can obtain YouTube's stored copy of live streams, obtain deleted streams, obtain metadata, identify whether jail rules are being bypassed. They may be trying to determine who is facilitating these calls. Are jail policies being circumvented? Is anyone coaching? Is there coordinated messaging? Is witness info being leaked?
Now, hold on. Let me answer. Let's try to answer Pretty Jim's question real quick. She said, "Question: does that mean Kewon lied on his lawyer? Also, Lawton stated that he talked to Kewon lawyer and he has his paperwork. So does that mean the lawyer is in trouble? Also, now we'll start with the first one first. Does that mean Kewon lied? No, I highly doubt if Kewon lawyer is giving. Kewon could very possibly say, man, forget what she's talking about. This what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm saying? Because as a lawyer, I don't think that his lawyer will be telling him it's okay to get up there and discuss the case. Matter of fact, I heard them say that the lawyer don't like it. She told him not to do it, talk about something else. But Kewon is doing what he want to do. Then she said also Lawton stated that he talked to Kewon lawyer and he has his paperwork. I never heard Lawton say that verbatim. You know what I'm saying? So I don't really want to build nothing off there because I didn't hear him say that out my own mouth. Not saying he didn't say it or not.
Out his own mouth.
Yeah, I never heard Mr. Lawton say he has Kewon paperwork. I didn't hear him say he done seen some things, but I never heard him say that he literally have Kewon's paperwork. Not saying he didn't say it. I just never heard it.
All right. Number 5, strategic timing. If trial is approaching, the state may be locking in statements, preserving impeachment material, preparing cross-examination, building obstruction narrative. Imagine this at trial. Prosecutor plays a live stream clip. Isn't it true you said on YouTube that?
Blank.
That's devastating.
Let's go. We don't even need you to make no statement because you didn't already put it on wax. You already put it on wax, brother.
Let's talk about what this is not. This is not a conviction, an indictment update, a proof of new charges. This is an investigative data request, but in legal chess, it's a move.
Most definitely. If you go back to that last slide real quick, baby, because I want to make sure, you know what I'm saying, we add all the context. It said, if trial is approaching, the state may be, boom. And we know for a fact, especially for the ones that watched the episode we did about the 824 special set. If you go look at the docket on him, on Kewon's, Devin's, Yellow Beezy, they had a trial date, and you see in the comment section of their trial date, it's a 824 special set, which is short for special setting. Real quick, special setting is basically the judge telling them, I didn't clear this calendar day. I done cleared this calendar day. We didn't hire court employees. You know what I'm saying? We getting the jury ready. We're doing all of this. So be ready for trial. State defense, be ready for trial. This will be resolved. No more easy delays. No more easy motion of continuances. No more of that. No more of that. It got to be something very drastic. Now, we are not saying that the court date will be on 8/24, but by 8/24, y'all better be ready. And if you've been following the paperwork, you've been following Legal Chess and other channels, you know what I'm saying, y'all can see all these motions coming through. Evidence, witness, all these motions are coming through. That is in-game language. That is not early trial paperwork that's coming out now. We seen the paperwork coming out now to let us know that both sides are getting ready for an actual trial.
All right. So we talked about what this is not. Let's move on to the possible scenarios. Scenario 1, evidence collection only. They're simply archiving everything to use later. Scenario 2, obstruction investigation. If discussions cross lines into witness intimidation or sealed discovery. Scenario 3, jail rule violation. If he's not supposed to conduct live broadcasts or monetize from jail. Scenario 4, future superseding indictment. If conversations reveal new evidence or conspiracy.
Let's go. Let's motherfucking go. Y'all please hit the like button, man. It's over 300 people in the building right now, man. Can we at least get the likes to 200, family? You know what I'm saying? I know some of y'all probably caught up in what we got in the live stream, but let's hit the like button real quick. Then get back to kick your feet up, man. You know what I'm saying? Hit the like button real quick, man. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all.
Hey, Charlene. So,
hey, Charlene. Happy Valentine's Day, love.
So when I think about this, right, I think about it when I see all these possible scenarios. I'm thinking, so what is the defense's perspective? And I can just only think that this is what they would probably call a self-created, like, prosecutorial evidence.
Right.
Because now the state don't have to pressure a cooperator, right? They don't have to flip someone. They can just sit back and record.
Sit back and scream like we all do in this space. You know what I'm saying? Oh, no, we ain't even got to pressure this nigga. We can just sit back and listen and hit that record button. You're right. This is what they call it? Self-what?
Self-prosecutorial.
Let's go. Let's go. What's up, China?
Hey, China.
Let me read Vic comment real quick. He said, that's why they say you got the right to remain silent. What you say or do can't be used against you in the court. Let's go, man. Let's go. And we all know that, whether you're a criminal or not. We all know that. You know what I'm saying? You got the right to remain silent. Why not use their right? Yellow Bees are doing it. Devin doing it. Jerry doing it. You know what I'm saying? Kewon the only one that's coming out. You know what I'm saying? Don't mind incriminating himself. Don't mind saying these things across airways via a jail phone. Like, I don't know, man.
And that's crazy because I just talked about the defense perspective, right? And how, they would, basically, like, it's self-created prosecutorial evidence. Well, from the defense's perspective, the defense could argue that it's free speech or public information discussion. No threats were made, no direct contact with witnesses. So the defense could possibly file a motion to quash if there is a subpoena that is overly broad. But if the court approved it, Google will comply. Right.
But in this situation, because we are discussing all the possibilities, but in my situation, because I'm over there listening to what he's saying. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Nah, that ain't broad at all. You know what I'm saying? I don't believe that they will email him an investigation type of email for no reason. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. All right. Why would they look for coordination? And when we're talking about coordination, we're talking about third party coordination.
Right.
All right.
And third party will in this situation will be Mr. Lawton. Is Mr. Lawton coordinating? Is he helping? Whatever the case may be.
All right. Why would they look for coordination? When law enforcement subpoenas Google/YouTube in a pending murder case, they are often trying to answer questions like, 1, is anyone coaching the defendant? Are live stream topics pre-planned? Are questions being filtered? Is someone feeding him discovery details? Is someone scripting responses? Number 2, is there witness intimidation happening indirectly? Even if no direct threat is made, prosecutors look for, y'all ready? Here we go. Prosecutors look for public naming of cooperators, encouraging viewers to look into witnesses, doxing behavior, harassment patterns after live streams. If a live stream is followed by harassment of a witness, then that becomes very serious.
Which
I haven't heard him say, right. And I got to be honest there. I haven't heard him intimidating any witnesses or anything like that, or, possibly looking for any witnesses from what I've heard.
Now he have called, I think he called Jose Bodega a fat bitch one time. I don't know.
But that's not.
Right. I'm just joking.
All right. We move to number 3. Is jail policy being circumvented? Jails monitor calls, but if he's using third-party devices, if someone is facilitating multi-way calls, if calls are being rerouted, that becomes a security issue. Number 4, is there financial coordination? If money is being collected, who receives it? Who controls the AdSense? Is money flowing to the defendant? Is someone managing the channel? They may be mapping. Y'all ready?
Let's go.
This is crazy. They may be mapping channel admin access logs, IP addresses, payment accounts, linked Gmail accounts, devices used to upload or edit content. That's how conspiracy expansions start.
Man. And that's why y'all see Mr. Law. I guess they didn't talk to Bree West. They didn't holler at attorney Bree West, Kewon's lawyer. She said, look, man, y'all gonna have to clean this up. Don't be doing this, don't be doing that. Cause now Kewon go live. He telling his life story. He reading, I guess, a book he want to drop. You know what I'm saying? They ain't making nobody pay to do this and do that. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. What's up, Cap? What's up, Cap? Salute to you, my guy. You know what I'm saying? Big sis, I seen you come through here, man. Salute to Big Sis, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. You already know, man. Appreciate you, gang.
All right. Here we go.
What's up, Carter K?
All right. Was I right there?
Hold on, I'll let you catch up real quick. He said, my boy Vic said the fact that he was running a jail phone privacy and freedom of information go out the window, because if he called, let you know it's being recorded and before. Let's go. Most definitely say this phone call is being recorded. And salute to Charlene, man, for making her $9.99 contribution, man. You know what I'm saying? Helping us get one step closer to that goal, man. Thank you, Charlene. You know we love you, girl.
All right. What could this mean for Mr. Lawton? We're going to do this by levels, all right? Level 1, neutral third-party media host. If Mr. Lawton is simply hosting a channel, allowing calls, not coaching, not filtering discovery, not facilitating threats, then legally he is likely treated as a third-party content platform participant. That's generally protected under First Amendment principles, media protections, communication platform norms.
Let's go. You know what I'm saying? We ain't saying Mr. Lawton a criminal. He over there doing this. We just discussing all the possibilities, man. Because we don't know what's going on when they get out the live stream. We don't know what happened before they hit the live stream, because we do content. You know what I'm saying? Even though me and CB live together, we still chop it up before, look, this is what we going to talk about. This is what we going to do. Woo. You know what I'm saying? Now, I don't know how far they go as far as being coordinated anything illegally, But we most definitely know 9 times out of 10 they coordinate the live streams. They do. I'm just saying.
All right. Level 2, knowing facilitation of policy violations. If investigators determine he knowingly helps bypass jail restrictions, he coordinates around monitoring systems, he profits directly from restricted communication, then the exposure rises. Potential concerns, hindering apprehension, prosecution. Texas Penal Code 38.05. Obstruction type theories. Conspiracy if coordination is proven. That requires intent, and intent is key.
Now, boom. Now, this is where it gets a little sticky. Now, I'm not a detective. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not nothing legal. I'm just a random nigga. You know what I'm saying? That's just going by what I see. If he knowingly helps bypass jail restrictions, now I don't know what it means by help. You know what I'm saying? But if Kewon, and I don't know, again, I don't know. I'm just putting my thinking cap on. You know what I'm saying? If Kewon is bypassing jail restrictions, and Mr. Lawton is allowing it, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what I don't know, you know what I'm saying? But it specifically says helps. Now I don't know how you can help somebody do something, you know what I'm saying? But that's where it can get a little sticky. He coordinates around monitoring systems. He profits directly from restricted communication. You know what I'm saying? He's monetized, gets super checks from all those things. Now, again, I'm not a detective. I'm not none of that. You know what I'm saying? But I believe this is probably where it can get sticky for Mr. Law. If that is the case. What's up, Kiki, baby? Over there on Twitch. Salute to the Twitchers, man.
Salute, Kiki.
Yes, y'all go subscribe to Cheer. That's her channel. Did she just
No, that's one of her friends' channel.
Okay. All right. What's up, Flame? Salute, Tammy Lynn. What's up, baby? We miss you, girl.
Hey, Tammy Lynn. Love you, girl. What's up, Flame? All right. Level 3. Evidence of active coordination.
No, hold on, because it's important. This is very salute to AC Shakur. He said, Mr. Lawton is the word occupation journalist. That holds weight to the communication. He is in media. I don't know if he's licensed or certified, but he do consider himself a journalist, and he is in media. So again, we don't know how it's gonna play out. You know what I'm saying? Further developments most definitely will come out. We just discussing all possibilities.
All right, level 3. Evidence of active coordination. If messages or metadata show pre-planning narratives, coaching testimony, coordinating messaging strategy, encouraging targeting of witnesses, then it becomes serious. Because then the argument shifts from media platform to active participant in case interference. That is rare, but prosecutors still examine it.
So that piggybacks right just what AC Shakur just said about him being a journalist or whatever you want to call it. It said if message or metadata show pre-planning narratives, which only they will find out, coaching testimony, coordinating messaging strategy, encouraging targeting of witnesses, then becomes serious because the argument shifts from media platform, he's a journalist, to active participant in case interference. What's up, Mama Red?
Moderators, can y'all drop the Twitch link for Captain, please? If y'all don't mind, thank you. Hey, Mama Red, love you.
Right back. I gotta come there and get something out the room real quick.
No worries. All right, so then we have to ask ourselves, what about the money angle? You know what I'm saying? The money angle. So Kewon is asking for monies to, be able to get questions answered. Now, why the fuck they would be doing that? I don't know. It just really.
Did you say monies? Did you say monies?
Yeah.
Like Mr. Krabs. Where's me monies? My bad.
For real. Hey, Gigi sis. We love you too. Gigi? Happy Valentine's Day to you and bro. Salute.
Most definitely happy Valentine's Day to you and bro Dream Dollar, man.
So moderators, can y'all drop? Okay, you got it, baby. Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
So we coming from the money angle, right? So let's do this. Let's take a look at the money angle. If he is collecting super chats and cash apps tied to case access, investigators may examine, is the defendant receiving proceeds? Is someone funneling funds? Is it exploitation? Is it material support of restricted communication? Again, legality depends on structure. Just monetizing a live stream isn't illegal, but monetizing jail access, that can raise red flags.
I hope Mr. Law, salute to my boy Captain, man. You know what I'm saying? For showing their love over there on Twitch, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, my guy. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate their love, man. Appreciate their love, my guy. He over there cutting the fuck up. He over there cutting the fuck up.
Let him gotta cut up. Let him gotta cut up.
He over there cutting the fuck up. Salute to my boy Cap, man.
Cap.
Real nigga shit right there, man. Number love, my guy. Keep doing what the fuck you doing, raising hell around this bitch. You hear me? Because you can't show love around this motherfucker. You hear me? I don't even fault you no more, cuz. You gotta have that energy around her, because these motherfuckers here try to bite your head off if they can. You know what I'm saying? Why run your name every day? You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. Salute to my nigga Cap, man. You know what I'm saying? Then Kiki came through over there. She said, hold on, let me get in the game, man.
Let's go, Kiki.
Salute, man. You know what I'm saying? Cap came through again over there cutting up, man. He said, happy Valentine's Day. Keep going, man.
Thank
Real
you.
nigga shit, man.
Happy Valentine's Day to you too.
Most definitely, bro. You know what I'm saying? Then my boy Vic came through with the $2, man. Let's get it, man. Let's get it, man. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate all that love, man. Salute to y'all, man. Y'all the realest.
All right. So we're speaking about the money angle, right? So we discussed that. Let's get to why the Google data matters. Okay. Google can provide admin login IP addresses, device IDs, account recovery emails, deleted stream backups, private chat logs, channel manager permissions, super chat payout data. This let investigators determine who is really running the account. Is there hidden admin access? Is the defendant communicating off platform? Are there coordination patterns? This is what you call digital mapping, which we are familiar with, right?
Right.
Everybody should be familiar with that, especially if you've been watching Legal Chess.
Right. It's a lot of digital mapping going on, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's what so that's the data that Google can provide. I want to make sure everybody get there. You know what I'm saying? Admin logins, IP addresses, device IDs, account recovery emails, deleted stream backups, private chat logs, channel manager permissions, super chat payout data. You know what I'm saying?
Important, because we need to understand what this is not. It is not automatically a charge against Mr. Lawton, a warrant for his arrest, or proof of conspiracy. It is an information gathering move. In Legal Chess terms, this is the state developing the board before trial. So I just want to add my 2 cents in if I can.
Let's go.
It says this is the state developing the board before trial. So if Kewon has said anything that they feel, and this is the reason why I feel that they sent that notice to Google to be able to get access to Mr. Lawton's channel, because they want to see what was said, the things that have been being said. Is it something that they can use in this trial? Did he provide certain things that they may not be privy to?
Let's go. Let's motherfucking go.
All right. So here's the big strategic question, right? Why do this now? Here are possibilities. Heavy on the possibilities. Because trial is approaching. Discovery leaks being discussed. Concern about witness contamination. Concern about jury pool contamination. Monitoring potential superseding issues. Concern about jury pool contamination.
I about to all of these. Go ahead, man. Do your breakdown. My bad. I come
all
in
of these are important. But do you know?
Now leave it up there.
Oh, my bad. But do you know how important that fourth one is? Concern about jury pool contamination. Because let me tell you something. We all know that Google owns YouTube. YouTube is a big platform. A lot of people, millions, listen to YouTube.
Dallas
is small, and Dallas is a small portion of that, right? And Dallas is small compared to who all's listening.
Right.
So if you have potential jurors that could have heard anything Kewon said, that could potentially fuck up the case.
Yeah. Yeah, most definitely. Most definitely. And we all know trial is approaching. You know what I'm saying? We again the 824 special set. Not saying that the trial will be on 824, but it's the judge letting them know be ready for trial. State, defense, be ready for trial. This is finna be resolved. Discovery leaks being discussed. We heard him speak on his discovery. You know what I'm saying? Now, I don't know the laws around it, but I'm pretty sure some of the things we have heard him say over there, he shouldn't be saying about discovery. Concerns about witness contamination. He over there discussing Jose Bodega, things of that nature. You know what I'm saying? CB just broke down concern about the jury pool contamination and monitoring potential superseding issues. They can be anything. You know what I'm saying? They could be the jail call violations. They could be a plethora of things. So all of these kind of fit the bill as far as possibilities. And once again, salute to Vic for coming through with another $2. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate you, family.
So what are the defense's response options? If Mr. Lawton received this notice, he could consult counsel immediately, determine what type of legal process was issued. Was it a subpoena versus a warrant? File a motion to quash if it's overbroad. Clarify his role legally. And when they say that, y'all know, because I do this legal stuff, you know what I mean? I like to pat myself on the back. When they say clarify his role legally, when someone sends you a notice, what we tend to forget is people, you can send a notice back. As long as it's in the specific time range, which is usually about 14 days, you can send a notice back, and he could very well clarify his role legally. He could also send a notice clarifying his role legally and also saying, okay, hey, help me understand this. What is this about? I need more information. So he could very well send a notice back.
Yeah, and I think that email said he got like 7 days or something like that. I forgot what but they gave him a good amount of days or a set amount of days to where he can do so before they move forward. But real quick, Sheila Alston said, "Why when y'all say mess up the trial?" She referring back to the jury pool contamination statement you made. She said, "When y'all say mess up the trial, what y'all saying? They might dismiss the trial?"
No. Let me clarify that. So I was clarifying the jury pool contamination. So think of it. YouTube is a big space. Dallas is so small. Remember, they have to pull from a jury of our peers. So whomever these people are, right? Think of it like you receiving a jury notice. Where do you usually receive a jury notice? You receive it in your county, right? So 9 times out of 10, the jury will be pulled from Dallas County.
Right.
So with Kewon saying the things that he has been saying on YouTube or anything, that could possibly taint the minds of potential jurors because there's no telling where they're pulling from in Dallas and who has heard what related to this case. So when I say mess up the case, I'm meaning we don't know the mind of what these people who have listened and if they could be a possible potential juror understand from this particular case, because it could taint them by what Kewon said, anything. So they could potentially be a jury, be like, I heard Kewon talking on Mr. Lawton channel, right? And I just don't believe he did it. So let me go ahead. Mine is not guilty. All because they heard Kewon's side and they were tainted from the beginning.
And let me give y'all a reference point. Remember, before Diddy went to trial, what he do? He took on the media. Now he didn't take on. He used the media to get his narrative off. He came out and he was paying bloggers, blog sites, news channels, and all of this. Now Kewon is doing this on a way lesser level. Whether he doing it intently or just doing some shit because he bored. 23-1 lockups a lot of time. You know what I'm saying? But nevertheless, this is the same thing that Diddy did. You know what I'm saying? He paid certain Instagram bloggers, news channels, whatever, and he was getting his narrative off. And if y'all seen the documentary that 50 Cent dropped, that did play a role in the jury's in the jury's mindset. And Tanya said, why don't they get a change of venue? If it's that serious, if they really feel like that the jury is tainted, they might just do that. They might
now
just do
change
that.
of venue. They could do change of venue, or which I don't see that happening because they're so far. Or they could pull a jury from another county. That is an option as well. They could pull from the jury pool in another county.
Gang Time Nip said, I just did jury duty last month. They're going to pull the greenest people in the world. When they picked the jury, I knew he was cooked. Let's go. Let's go.
All right. Let's get it.
What's up, AZ King?
Salute, AZ King, my boy. All right. So what did AZ King say? I hear if we want super chats to Lawton, we are witnesses. If we see
shit. You might just be out there playing. Nah, man. Nah. But I'm gonna repeat this because we know who you like. If AZ King, if you sent the super chat, right, we know who you are. But let's say, for instance, if a detective or investigator or whatever case may be is investigating this YouTube channel, they don't know who you are. So they don't know if you a GRC member sending payments, you know what I'm saying? They don't know. So it'll behoove them to look into these people. You know what I'm saying? Because they don't know who behind these accounts. We know who y'all are. You know what I'm saying? But the investigators, they don't know nothing about no MO3 sector. You know what I'm saying? So it'll behoove them to look into some of these people like,
I'm so tired of that word.
Well, it'll behoove them, one more time. Now this plan, but it'll be in their best interest. You know what I'm saying? To look into, especially the same people that's doing it. Now, I'm not telling y'all not to support or nothing like that. We just doing legal chess, man. I don't want to shit on nobody money. That means of making money. Do your thing, Mr. Law. But we just saying, you know what I'm saying?
All right. How this could impact plea leverage. Plea leverage shifts when one side gains advantage. If prosecutors subpoena Google and obtain live stream data, there are several ways this changes the board. Let's talk about it. Number one, if the live stream contains self-incriminating statements, anything said publicly by a defendant is admissible as a party admission. If he contradicts prior statements, discusses facts not publicly known, minimizes involvement in a way inconsistent with evidence, admits knowledge of co-defendants' roles, references discovery material in revealing ways, then prosecutors gain, here we go, it's the big one. Y'all ready?
Yes, go.
Impeachment material, consciousness of guilt arguments, narrative consistency attacks, cross-examination ammunition. That strengthens the state's trial posture. Stronger posture equals less incentive to offer a favorable plea.
They're strong right there. They're strong because if I got impeachment material, if I got conscious of guilt argument, hold on, put that back up there because I'll read it.
My bad, baby.
No, you good, baby. If I have impeachment material, now we all know Kewon saying that, man, I ain't even finna take a deal, so he might not care about this portion of it, but we got to discuss it through and through. You know what I'm saying? But if the state have impeachment material, consciousness of guilt arguments, narrative consistency attacks, cross-examination ammunition, why would we even give this nigga a favorable deal or a deal, period? You know what I'm saying? Because y'all, a plea deal is just like any other deal. It's negotiated.
You want to answer a hip-hop culture judge question?
Okay. Hold on, my bad. He said, so what's the problem with that? Because y'all going off court document, which is their view, the state, the feds leverage. Hold on, I don't really. So what's the problem with that? Because y'all going off court document, which is their view. That's the state and feds leverage. I'm really not understanding that. I'm not understanding that question either. I thought you would. But okay, so moving forward. The salute to hip hop culture judge, man. You know what I'm saying?
Salute. All right, so moving forward, let's go. Hold on. We at number 2, right?
Exactly, last check.
All right, so we at number 2. If the streams show discovery awareness, if he's discussing cooperating witnesses, strategy, evidence specifics, prosecutors may argue he's trying to influence the public opinion. He's signaling to others. He's undermining the integrity of the case. That can harden the state's negotiation stance. Instead of let's resolve this, it becomes he's not taking responsibility. And plea deals become less generous.
Let's go. Salute to Vic, man, for that another $2. Anything is plenty, man. You hear me? We appreciate you, bro. He said, good work, you two. Most definitely, man. You know, we put in this work, man. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate that, bro.
You see what Jerry said?
He said, Josh, it would behoove you to stop using the word behoove around CV. Gigi said I'm using the word wrong, so I'm going to shut up. You know what I'm saying? Let's go.
All right. Number 3. If the streams actually hurt the state, this is rare, but it is possible. If he stays consistent, he avoids discussing facts, he shows calm demeanor, he doesn't contradict evidence, then prosecutors may realize he's disciplined. Trial could be messy. That sometimes increases plea pressure from the state, but that's uncommon in high-profile murder cases.
Right now, I get we gonna keep it real. Kewon do be extremely calm over there. You know what I'm saying? Mr. Lawton do a good job of keeping Kewon calm. He don't really like him answering questions. They're gonna get him worked up. That's why when I be trying to get him riled up. I won't Kewon mad. You know what I'm saying? Because I know he gonna go off haywire. You know what I'm saying? He gonna go haywire when he pissed off. But he be over there calm. Even when he is discussing stuff he don't supposed to be discussing, he do be calm. You know what I'm saying? He don't really say too much. You know what I'm saying? Outside like threatening and all of that. He don't be saying this bitch ass nigga telling and all this. He just discuss certain things he just don't need to be discussing. Saying things that can be self-incriminating. But nevertheless, he do be calm. You know what I'm saying? But that's about the only one because he don't stay consistent. He don't avoid discussing the facts. You know what I'm saying? He doesn't contradict evidence. He most definitely be contradict the evidence. You know what I'm saying? He do that a lot, man. They ain't got nothing on me, man. They ain't got nothing. You know what I'm saying? And what they can mean, there's sometimes increased plea pressure from the state, but that's uncommon in high-profile murder cases.
Well, for me to add my comment,
it'll behoove him to shut up.
Hell no.
All right. Call me Mr. Behoove. All right, my bad. Go ahead, baby. Go ahead.
All right, so me looking at it in hindsight, right? I'll say the state is preserving and analyzing the live stream evidence, right? So I wouldn't go as far to say they're charging Mr. Lawton. You know what I'm saying? That's just too much. You know what I mean? I feel like there's putting too much on it. I feel like they're preserving and analyzing his live streams. They're not charging him. But if coordination or witness influence appears in the data, right? Exposure could escalate, baby. It could escalate.
Let's go. It's all about what they find. Because again, we only know what we see. Because their Google investigation could go all the way to Mr. Lawton's phone. You know what I'm saying? They could subpoena shit that that's probably deleted. Whatever the case, like, you know what I'm saying? So we don't know how far this gonna go and what they actually get from their investigation. We really don't even know what they're requesting.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So we don't know. We only see the show. You know, now I want to put that up there. Helltown said Kewon says he don't know anything, but just gave Duke a hint to who the shooter was in the private chat on Law's channel for a tip. I think hey man. Come on, man. So this type of stuff we talking about, man.
Hey, Miss Kimberly. Love you.
You good, sis. Cherry. See, I think Mr. Lawton is the laws. That's just my opinion. Not the laws. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Mr. Lawton, though, man. Keep him talking shit. A lot of people be mad because Kewon to be around here talking and doing this. Now, you know what I'm saying? Let him keep doing what he doing.
All right. So how could this impact trial timing? Let's get into it. Number one, new evidence equals new discovery. If prosecutors obtain YouTube metadata, stream archives, financial records, admin communications, they must disclose it to the defense. That can trigger supplemental discovery, motions to review digital evidence, requests for forensic analysis, possible continuance motions. Digital data analysis takes time. So yes, this could delay trial.
Right. But when we talking about delay, you know what I'm saying? We're not talking about months or another year. You know what I'm saying? Because the 824 special set is there for a reason. So even if new evidence, new discovery do come in, it ain't gonna be no 16 terabytes. You know what I'm saying? The judge might get them by 30 to 60 days out from the trial date. Look, you got about 30 to 60 days, get it together. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let's see what Nika said. Salute to Miss Kimberly in the building. Miss Kimberly, what's up, love? She said, that's crazy, though, because a lot of people here are trolls. They say anything and assume a lot with their lies on top. That's facts. That is facts. That is facts.
That's true.
Game time, so he got mad at y'all for calling him slow. But a little slow person would be talking like he be talking. Hey, man, or a nigga that just ain't got nothing to lose. He said, fuck this shit, I'm finna go down. You know what I'm saying? Actions speak louder than words, man. His actions show this shit. Either he don't care, he don't take it serious, or shit, he may be just slow. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to be disrespectful or nothing, but, you know, it's either one of the three.
So, Hip Hop Culture Judge said all criminal court documents are shaped in the form as you are guilty. That's in all cases, which means that all paperwork is Fed/state's narrative, meaning y'all are telling the state's narrative and not Kewon's narrative.
And that's not even true. Well, first of all, it's not true because
I don't see how you can say that, because Kewon is on here speaking for himself. So to say that we're telling the state's narrative and not Kewon's narrative, that wouldn't be a likely analysis, Hip Hop Culture Judge, because at the end of the day, at Room 901, we've used Kewon's own words. And if you need a reference for that, you are always welcome to go to the episode that we did on Kewon when we broke it down with his own words, where we actually showed what he says out of his own mouth. So to say that we at Room 901 is telling it from the state side and not Kewon's would be hypocrisy.
And I want to add two things to that. First of all, salute to you. You know what I'm saying? You're wrong when you say all the paperwork is just telling us because Yellow Beezy filed a motion. You know what I'm saying? With strictly his narrative in there. You know what I'm saying? The evidence they wanted threw out. If Yellow Beezy lawyer filed a motion or any paperwork, any subpoenas, that's his narrative. You know what I'm saying? And if the state do it, it's a state narrative. Even when we break down this paperwork, if you notice, we give all possibilities, even how the defense could play it. You know what I'm saying? So we just don't come from one side of the narrative. Now, we may agree with the state narrative. Like, that's Kewon on the fucking highway. You know what I'm saying? But that don't mean when we present it, we only present one side of it. But hey, if Kewon feel like that's what we doing, and that leads him to hit that live stream and talk, by all means, do it, brother. Keep clearing the air. Clear the air. You hear me? Keep clearing the air.
All right. Remember, we are talking about how this could impact plea leverage. Number 2, potential new charges or enhancements. If live stream content shows witness intimidation, obstruction, coordinating messaging, violation of jail restrictions, the state could file additional charges, seek bond modifications, argue for revocation of privileges, use it as sentencing if convicted. That complicates timeline strategy.
Let's go.
Number 3.
Hold on, baby.
Okay, baby.
He said, I'm saying he has a right to tell people his side because the state tells it, hey, you supposed to do that in court. But hey, I'm not, if he chooses to do that on the live stream, please keep doing it. You know what I'm saying? And that's why the channel is under investigation. Because he's choosing, man, I want to tell my side. That's what you got a lawyer for, and that's what you claiming you're going to trial for. That's where you tell your side of things at, not YouTube. But by all means, keep doing it, brother. Keep doing it. I'm not mad at him. Matter of fact, I want him to do it so we can clip it and use it.
Number 3, strategic pause before trial. Sometimes prosecutors subpoena late in the game too. Lock in impeachment evidence. prevent surprise testimony, freeze narratives, strengthen opening statements. This doesn't always delay trial. Sometimes it just strengthens trial prep.
Right, and I think there's more of the lines of what's going on now. I don't think whatever comes out of this investigation will delay the trial at all. I don't think it's that heavy. You know what I'm saying? But I do think, you know what I'm saying, because the 824 special set, you know, I ain't gonna keep repeating it, but the special setting, get ready for trial. Defense state, be ready for trial. So everything you see now, all these motions, all the paperwork coming through the docket, that's them gearing up for trial. So I think they done found something, or they think they can find something by way of Mr. Lawton's channel that they can use to strengthen they prep for trial when it relates to Kewon.
All right. So with that being said, go ahead, baby.
Even if it's what, because he played a whole diss song over there. You know what I'm saying? He played a whole diss song to MO3 over there. You know what I'm saying? Even if it's him laughing about certain things, not taking it serious, that is character impeachment. Like, listen to him. He's not even taking it serious. He's on YouTube laughing, kiki and ha-haing, like this ain't serious. What's up, Quee? What's up, sis? Hey, like, even if it's something as simple as that. Because one thing we do know is it's a whole process to subpoena jail calls. So they're like, look, we ain't even got to go that route. We could just subpoena this nigga YouTube channel and get the live stream. Or we might have the jail calls and use the live stream to verify the jail calls. Heard both sides of it.
True.
Y'all make sure y'all hit the like button, family. Please hit the like button. Over 400 people in the building. Salute to y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Please make sure that y'all are hitting the like button, man. Let's get it to at least 300, man, if we're not already there. Please. Oh, let me see where we at on the likes. I don't want them to be holding us out, man. You know what I'm saying? Where we at? Damn, why my thing ain't showing? Y'all, please hit the like button, though, man. If you haven't hit the like button. 170. God damn, y'all. We ain't even hit 200. Come on, y'all. Come on, man. Let's please get the likes up, family. Get the likes up, man. Over 400 in the building. Let's go, man. Let's hit the like button, man. I don't want to play no song or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? But let's go, though. I'm pretty sure they're going to hit the like button. They probably just forgot. You know what I'm saying? Hit the like button, y'all. Please. It help us out a lot.
All right. How could it impact trial timing? Sorry, y'all. Went to the wrong one. Nope, we were already there. Hold on, y'all, because I want to make sure of something.
Keisha said she made 170 likes. Let's go, man. They hitting it. It's 186 now, man. Let's at least about 15 more likes, man. At least let's get 200 done. Golly, y'all. Come on, man. Let's make sure we hit that like button. Baby over here lost and shit.
No, y'all, Joshua uploaded my slides, so it's not usually how I do it. So,
you see how, man, she didn't threw me under the bus.
Yeah,
she didn't threw me under the bus, man.
Okay, so we did how it could how it could impact trial timing because we did the strategic pause before trial. Okay, so let's
go, Cardi K, man. We appreciate that $2.
Salute, Cardi K. Thank you. All right, so here we go. What is the bigger chess move here? Here's the psychological impact. If the defendant realizes everything I said online is now in evidence, that can increase anxiety, reduce his confidence, make a plea look safer, push the defense to reconsider risk. Digital evidence often changes negotiation dynamics. Y'all think Kewon gonna? No. Y'all think he got some increased anxiety or reduced confidence? Don't sound like it to me.
Well, we got to wait to see what come out of this investigation. We got to wait to see. Because maybe he just slipped up and said something he don't even know he said that could be used against him. You know what I'm saying? So when it's presented, we're like, oh, shit, they got me. You know what I'm saying? We got to wait to see what come from this.
All right. How does this affect co-defendants? Let's get into it, y'all. In multi-defendant cases, like murder for hire, if one defendant speaks publicly, it can indirectly affect others. Statements may implicate co-defendants. It may expose contradiction. This shifts leverage across the board. One person talking too much can destabilize everyone's position.
Hold on. Pause right there real quick. Salute to Sheila, man, for coming through with her $5 contribution, man. You know what I'm saying?
Sheila.
Let's go, man. We appreciate you, man, for helping us get one step closer to our goal, man. Thank you, y'all. We need 3 more super chats, man. $5 or more to complete the goal, man. If you feel in your heart that you want to help us get to that 10, man, go and send a little $5, whatever, man. Well, you could just send $1. You know what I'm saying? $100. It don't matter, man. You know what I'm saying? But we most definitely appreciate you, Sheila, and all the support, man. Look, and the like button is free. The like button is free, man. You know what I'm saying? If you want to support the channel, help the channel out, the like button is most definitely free. Smash that motherfucker. Smash it. Let's go. But look, this affect co-defendants. You got Yellow Bees and Devin. You know what I'm saying? Jerry with the question mark. You know what I'm saying? So let's go through this one more time. Let's make sure this marinate. In multi-defendant cases, like murder for hire, if one defendant speaks publicly, it can directly affect others. Statements may implicate co-defendants. It may expose contradictions. This shifts leverage across the board. One person talking too much can destabilize everyone's position.
And I can see that.
And this is what I've been saying for the longest. I'm like, boy, if I was Yellow Beezy, I'd be mad as hell to Kewon on this motherfucker doing all this talking.
Yeah,
I will be pissed the fuck off that he on her door. I'd be like, man, shut up, bruh. Shut up, bruh. So that do make sense. Let's go.
All right. So does this mean a plea is coming in? Not automatically. Go ahead, baby.
Salute to Sheila for that $2, man.
Thank you,
Salute to Sheila. Thank you. Oh, Sheila. Let's go, baby. Thank you.
Does this mean a plea is coming in? Not automatically. But it means the prosecution is tightening loose ends. And tightening loose ends often precedes trial readiness, plea evaluation, reevaluation.
There you go.
Strategic repositioning.
I told you, trial readiness, everything y'all see from here on out. Paperwork, whether it come from the defense, whether it come from the state, it's about trial ready. We at the end game phase of this. We are at the end game phase of this, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Ain't finna be no 16 terabytes, all that you get that in the early stage of it. Everything you seeing, the motions to review witnesses, the motions of the evidence, that is in game paperwork. So they tighten up the loose ends. Well, Nika say, she said, nah, fake Josh. I would have made sure his little ass was oh shit. After he did the job. We didn't get gangster, but I most definitely agree. You know, see how they did Big Juke? Shit. Look, man. That's why Kewon over there saying, man, look, man, I'm glad I'm in jail, man. You know what I'm saying? Because I'll probably be dead. Because he know, you know what I'm saying? He knows shit. Yeah, we're gonna have to get you up out of here, boy. You know what I'm saying? My mother's keeper. Salute Big Sis for that $4.99 super sticker. You know what I'm saying? Salute to you, man. Joe, what's up with you, fam, over there on Twitch? Thank you, sis. You know we love you. Thank you. Hold on, let me get this out the way. I said, so the phone is controlled by a pen. Oh, she's talking to Vic. Oh, yeah, you got to put them pen numbers in there. For everybody ever been behind them walls with the county or federal, you already know. You got to put that pen in there.
All right. So what is the strategic analysis here, right? The most likely reason for the subpoena or notice to Google, evidence sorry, I said that all wrong. Evidence preservation for trial. Secondary possibility, monitoring for obstruction or coordination. Impact on plea leverage. Depends entirely on what's in those streams. Impact on timing. It could cause delay if digital evidence requires forensic review. All right. So the next thing we're getting into, y'all, is could Mr. Lawton become a witness? First, let's talk about how someone does become a witness. A person becomes a witness if 1, they have relevant knowledge. 2, they can authenticate evidence. 3, they participated in or observed conduct tied to the case. 4, they possess records or communications tied to the defendant. Mr. Lawton potentially checks at least 2 of those boxes.
Now, hold on. Before we move on, Let's see which two it is. I know for a fact that he can authenticate evidence. Have relevant knowledge. Possess records or communications tied to the defendant. They participated in or observed conduct tied to the case. I can see 1 and 2. 1 and 2 for sure. You know what I'm saying? 1 and 2 for sure. You got relevant knowledge. It can authenticate evidence. Those are 2 I'm going with at least.
I'm going with number 1 and 4.
What's that? They have relevant knowledge. They possess records or communications tied to the defendant. Oh yeah, because the communications, yeah. Game time news say I guarantee that live with Mahel question about that gun with the blue handle. Kewon was totally shook. Like, how do you know that, bro? And that was probably one of the guns he got caught with. Hey man. Hey man. Let's go.
All right. Why would the state call him?
Y'all hit the like button, please. Don't forget to hit the like button, man. I don't get tired of me asking, but please, let's get it to where we need to get it to.
Why would the state call Mr. Lawton? We have 4 reasons.
Mr. Lawton.
Mr. Lawton. Yeah, I'm just so country.
Hey, Mr. Lawton.
Mr. Lawton.
Yeah, let's go.
Number 1, to authenticate the live streams. Even if Google provides the videos, prosecutors often need someone to confirm. Yes, this is my YouTube channel. Yes, that is the defendant speaking. Yes, this is the date of the stream. No, the video was not altered. That's foundational evidence. Without authentication, defense can object.
So that's the one I was going with. He can authenticate, you know what I'm saying? Because you know, even when they subpoena like T-Mobile, right? They don't require T-Mobile to actually take the stand, but T-Mobile do make a statement that say we authenticated these documents. This is that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm assuming they'll do the same thing with a Google account. Because you can't just bring no live streams up there. You're going to need the channel holder or the operator to authenticate these things. So if anything else, he'll be brought in as a witness to do those type of things, authenticate the information. Salute OG Creamy Doe. Salute to you, love. Happy Valentine's Day. Let's get it.
All right. So remember why the state would call him. Number 2, to explain how the calls worked. If Kewon called in from jail, the state may want to establish who initiated the calls. Was it scheduled? Was it coordinated? Were there pre-discussions off air? Did anyone help facilitate? Mr. Lawton would be the one who knows.
Hold on before we move on.
We can't hear you.
Oh, shit, my bad. Before we move on, he said, how does it work if the lawyer discussed everything with Lawton and they put him on the stand? Does he have to say everything discussed outside of YouTube? I doubt it. You know what I'm saying? I doubt it, because then they'll set him up to be cross-examined and all of that. And you know what I'm saying? We don't know how that'll work. We really think that he'll be just a witness to authenticate the documents, the records that they get by way of this investigation. I don't think they're gonna use him like that. It's no pertinent piece to the trial.
As he said, Josh and CB, y'all gonna be witnesses just like me soon. Keep this up.
I don't know nothing. You know what I'm saying? I don't know nothing.
We said thank you, sis. You didn't hear us? We said thank you for the
Yeah, it most definitely came through, sis.
It came through.
Yeah, most definitely. Thank you. Oh, she probably saying because it didn't add to the goal. It got to be a super chat, but we seen it though, and we appreciate it.
Yeah, we seen
what I'm saying?
Thank you, sis.
Yeah, but it got to be a super chat to, you know what I'm saying, get added to the goal. I don't know why they don't do super chats and super stickers, but yeah, it's supposed to be a super chat, but we appreciate it though. You know what I'm saying?
All right. We at number 3 on why would the state call Mr. Lawton? To clarify financial flow. If money was being collected, the state may want testimony on who controls super chats, who receives the payouts. Was the defendant compensated? Were there agreements? That matters if prosecutors argue profit motive or facilitation. You know what I just thought of?
Look at the witness number 8. Let's go. Salute to my boy AZ King, man, for that $4.99 super chat. Getting us one step closer to our goal, man. We officially just need 2 more super chats, man, to round up this goal, man. Let's get it, boy. That was say witness number 8. Shit, you on your own, buddy. You on your own. I ain't well. Look, we are not one of them bloggers who want to be subpoenaed in anything. You know what I'm saying? Don't come fucking with us. You know what I'm saying? If you need a video, it's there. You know what I'm saying? It's most definitely there. But don't expect me to say shit. What's up, man? Salute to Big Sis, man, for that $1.99 super chat.
Thank you, sis.
Let's get it, man.
So I just thought about this. Just thinking of to clarify financial flow. And in reading this, right, this made me think about it. Because remember, they don't always have to be asking for these particular things to maybe bring a case or particularly want what am I trying to say? What am I trying to say, y'all? Hold on, I'm getting my thoughts together. Okay, let me put it this way. I just thought about this because also the state could be collecting this for a narrative, right? Because think about it. It is said that Kewon was paid for killing MO3.
Correct.
They could present to the jury and say, jury, not only was he paid for killing MO3, after he killed MO3, he's still looking to be compensated for the death, for things tied to the death of this man.
Criminal notoriety.
There you go.
Or notoriety of a crime. You know what I'm saying?
There you go.
Hey, that is a hell of a, because this is narrative.
I just thought about that. I just thought about that.
Yeah, and on top of that, he's not taking it serious. You know what I'm saying? He's not taking it serious. Salute to African Goddess, man. The sis came through with 2 $5 super chats to help us complete the goal, man. Let's go, man. Salute to y'all, man. Salute to everybody who contributed to the goal, man. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate y'all, man. Most definitely. Even the ones who tried to do it, but they sent the super sticker. Hey, man, it still counts, man. We appreciate y'all, man. We love y'all to pieces, man. We are nothing without y'all.
But do you agree with me on that?
I most definitely agree. And that's smart, and that will be strong. That will be very strong. You know what I'm saying? Because again, you need character. Character impeachment is a thing too. You know what I'm saying? So if you can speak to a person's character, then back it up with the evidence and all of that. You know what I'm saying? Now the thing is, I don't even think they're gonna have to do all this with Kewon. You know what I'm saying? But if they need to, most definitely, you know what I'm saying? Most definitely, yes, man. He not only are we saying that he was paid for the hit on MO3, he's still getting paid for criminal notoriety.
Thank you, Chino. Thank you for the $5 super chat. Greatly
Salute
appreciate
to you, gang. Real nigga
Chino.
alert, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. We appreciate that, man. We most definitely appreciate the $5 and the compliments, man. He said, y'all do great work. We appreciate that, man. We appreciate that for sure.
So Gigi said he has gotten paid double for the hit of 3. I agree, sis. I agree. That's crazy. They could very well, and that's just my theory on it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying that's what's going to happen. My theory on it is they very well could say, not only did this man kill MO3, right? He also, after this man is dead, 5 years later, or going on 6, is asking for money tied to this case.
Let's go. Now, my question is this the first phase of YouTube subpoenas? Like, you know what I'm saying? Because we, not to brag, y'all know we don't brag over here, but y'all know that Mr. Lawton and Kewon told us that when we had Kewon on our panel, you know what I'm saying? If y'all want to watch that episode, go back to the one we did on Randall Graham, the episode we did on Randall Graham. Kewon most definitely made an appearance over here, and then he had a pretrial following it. And they told us, man, y'all was brought up, the DA brought us up. We brought our channel up. You know what I'm saying, in the pretrial hearing. You know what I'm saying?
I don't see us being.
No, I wasn't saying this. This is my thing. If we was brought up, right? Imagine like a Ratchet TV, where Kewon actually went up there and did an interview. You know what I'm saying? Then he went up there to talk about, man, the feds came to me with a deal, this, then the third, excellent questions about the discovery. You know what I'm saying? Things of that nature. Or could they just get it all from one channel, which is Mr. Lawton? Because everything he said on Mr. Lawton channel, he down there said on Ratchet channel. But I'm just saying, like, is this the first wave? Because he also was running around here with player too. You know what I'm saying? Now they could just subpoena videos. You know what I'm saying? They could just subpoena videos, not the actual person, but nevertheless, could this be the first round of that? Now I doubt if we got anything for him. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I don't think that I would say we don't have anything for them, because you got to think about it. We are literally like an analysis channel. So when paperwork come out, we break the paperwork down and come from like a legal analysis type of thing. So like Nancy Grace does, or you know what I'm saying? Something like that. You know what I mean? There's not anything that they could possibly want from us, because we're not talking to Kewon like that. You know what I'm saying? I don't think Kewon said anything on our channel that he hasn't said on others. You know what I mean?
But you know, one thing he have said though, over there on Mr. Lawton, I just thought about this. A light bulb went off. The Atlas Bells bond. He admitted to that. He admitted no on Lawton. You remember when we did the live on Kewon, we brought up the video of him actually admitting that was him at Atlas Bells bonds.
Yeah.
He admitted to that, so they can use his own word, boy.
Vic said they got a law saying you can't profit off your victim death. Facts. Look it up. That family get their money. You know what though? We did go through that, Vic, at the beginning, remember? And it's called a certain law. Texas doesn't have that specifically. But yeah, what is it called?
The Son of Sam.
The Son of Sam. However, they could use, like we just said before, that as speaks to his character in trial. You know what I'm saying? To say, look, jury, he profited off this man's death. He killed him. And now he's still trying to profit off this man's death. You know what I'm saying? So that's just crazy. That's crazy. But okay, moving forward, because I don't want to keep y'all long, all right? So where were we? Okay. So, all right, we left off at 3, right? We are on why would the state call him? So we did number 3 to clarify financial flow. Number 4, if there's alleged coordination, right? So if investigators believe there was coaching, message shaping, discovery discussion planning, witness targeting, then Mr. Lawton's testimony becomes extremely relevant, either as a neutral clarifier or, in worst case scenario, a participant, which I doubt. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right. So does being a witness mean he's in trouble? No, because there are 3 levels of witness positioning, and we're going to go through it. Number 1, neutral witness. This is the most common scenario. He simply testifies he called in. I hosted. This is what was said. No criminal exposure.
Let's go real quick. I want to go through that one more time, but real quick, salute to Pete, man. You know what I'm saying? For that $10, man. He said legal chess can change the game. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. Salute to you, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. We have predicted, you know what I'm saying? We don't toot our own horns because it's all about 3 over here, but we have predicted a lot of stuff that we are coming to see true, like the 219 theory. We most definitely said, man, the state's strongest motive will be the 219 theory. Roy Lee, Bubba, and go from there. You know what I'm saying? And we have seen through the paperwork that came out, that's the most definitely the motive they're going with. You know what I'm saying? Other things too. We don't even keep up with all that stuff, man. We just keep it moving, man. But salute to my boy Pete, man, for that $10, man. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate you, gang. We most definitely appreciate you. So, okay. So, boom. Let's go through this one more time because I want to make sure this marinate with me. Okay. So, a neutral witness, the most common scenario, he simply testifies, he called in, I hosted, this is what was said, no criminal exposure. I agree with it. I just want to make sure I read it before. Yeah, I agree with it. Like I said, I don't think it's nothing pertinent. Now, we don't know what can come by way of these investigations, y'all. You know what I'm saying? But based on what we see on the surface, it appears as if just Kewon called in, Mr. Lawton hosted, this is what was said.
Yep.
That he just verifying the information and whatever documents they get.
Material witness. If the state believes his testimony is essential but not criminal, he could receive a subpoena to testify, pre-trial interview request, or a grand jury subpoena, still not necessarily in trouble.
Hold on.
Go ahead.
Money Maya last chick said, what about the personal communications though, Josh? We have to see. We have to see. Like he's saying, we don't know what, you know what I'm saying? I'm just only going by what I see on the surface. I don't want to assume based off a lot of stuff that I don't know. I want to be fair and somewhat factual with my speculations. I don't know what they talk about before they hit the live. I don't know what they talk about on their own time. But on the surface, it appears that Mr. Lawton just hosts. Kewon call into the show. And you know what I'm saying? That would look like on the surface. Hold on. Josh and CB is the only way legal chess can be broken down because y'all both really from Texas. We don't need no out-of-state folks. Hold on now. Slow down now. I live in Texas. You know what I'm saying?
Let's go, Tommy.
But look though, that would make us a dynamic duo, in my opinion, if I shall say so myself, because CB is from there, right? But sometimes you get the hometown blinders on. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes like this case wouldn't be where it's at if it wasn't for a few out-of-town bloggers. Understand it, because we don't have the vision. Sometimes you gotta look up from the nosebleeds to see things a little better. You know what I'm saying? And on top of that, I'm not an out-of-towner that just jumped on this today. I've been here since 2020. You know what I'm saying? I didn't see it all. You know what I'm saying? I didn't heard it all. You know what I'm saying? And I had the privilege of talking to a lot of key players that's involved in this, including Jossie Banks, Rainwater. We had chopped it up with Sean G before. You know what I'm saying? So we didn't look. I'm battle tested. Hold on. He said reread it. Okay, let me reread it. He said
Josh and CB is the only way legal chess can be broke down because y'all both really from Texas. We don't need no out-of-state folks breaking down shit they don't know. Thanks, Josh and CB. So he's basically saying all that shit they trying to run, we the only way that it can be broke down, you know what I'm saying? Because, again, he shares his sentiment that we both really from Texas. And, you know, he just popping shit, you know?
I get exactly what he's saying. I'm just clarifying, you know what I'm saying, that I'm not from Texas, you know what I'm saying? I live here, you know what I'm saying, been here before, you know what I'm saying, the whole time, you know what I'm saying? But, you know.
Okay.
We most definitely appreciate that, though, Tommy. We most definitely appreciate that, man.
Yeah, I get it. He popping shit because you know what's been going on, you know.
But this the thing about it, though. You got some bloggers around here, man, that's from Dallas that's covering this case, but they quote unquote the Dallas business. So some things they tell y'all, some things they don't. Some things they tell y'all, and they spin it because low key they you know what I'm saying. They probably on the other side. You know what I'm saying? So as long as you bring in justice, as long as you really seeking justice. You know what I'm saying? Is it read it again? Same answer. Nah, most definitely. Same answer.
I had to read it again myself. I said, hold on, wait a minute.
But salute to Tommy, though. I most definitely received that, gang. I received it. But let's go, baby. Let's cook.
All right. So, target witness. Remember, we're on does being a witness mean he's in trouble? Target witness. This only happens if evidence shows active coordination, facilitation of wrongdoing, intent to obstruct, participation in policy violations. That is much more serious, but there is no automatic presumption of that because intent is everything.
Let's go. So we talk about the witnesses, right? So what's this when I can't say the target witness? This only happens if evidence shows active coordination, facilitation of wrongdoing, intent to obstruct, participation in policy violations. This is much more serious, but there is no automatic presumption of that. Intent is everything. So they have to have, so it's one thing to say that he did it. You know what I'm saying? It goes back to what I was saying a little earlier in the live. Now, we do know that Kewon was on her possibly violating a lot of these laws and rules, and Mr. Law was sitting back letting it happen. But does that mean the intent was there? Intent is everything.
Facts.
Intent is everything.
All right. So now we get into the key factor, right? What is the key factor? The difference between platform host and coordinating participant is intent and knowledge. Did he knowingly help circumvent jail rules? Did he encourage witness exposure? Did Mr. Lawton help plan narratives? Or was he simply hosting a public discussion? That line determines everything.
Let's go. he went and blew up. Let's go, Gutter. That's facts.
Strategically, if prosecutors subpoenaed Google, that suggests they want documentation first. They usually build data before they approach a person. If they intend to use him as a witness, they will preserve the evidence, lock down metadata, then potentially contact him. They do not start with interviews. They start with the digital trail.
Let's go. So before they go ahead, baby. No, do your thing.
Go ahead, cool.
Now I was just gonna say, so before they even get to a subpoena, they lock down the digital part of it first, because based on what they get from whatever they investigate, that'll let them know, do we need him just to authenticate, or shit, is this criminal? So they lock, so they sent the email, right? And they're gonna lock in the digital part of it first. They're gonna get whatever they get, then they're gonna base the subpoena off of that. Yep. If I'm reading it right strategically. What's up, Gemini?
Hey, Gemini. So could the defense call him? Yes. The defense could call him to show defendant consistently denied involvement. The defendant remained calm. The defendant did not threaten anyone, and no coordination occurred. Witnesses aren't owned by one side.
Let's go. So the defense can call him too, y'all. The defense can call, especially if these things come into the actual trial. You know what I'm saying? The defense can most definitely call Mr. Lawton for those reasons we just listed.
So we have to ask ourselves, what does this do to the board, right? If Mr. Lawton becomes a witness, his communications may be discoverable. His credibility may be examined. His financial records may be reviewed. His DMs or emails related to the case could become relevant. Once someone is a witness, their neutrality becomes part of trial strategy.
You gonna shake the table. Salute to my sister Bahama Mama is in the building. Love you, girl. Happy Valentine's Day. You know what I'm saying?
So what is the analytical assessment, and what is the most likely scenario? The most likely scenario is he becomes a foundational authentication witness. Less likely, but it is possible, he becomes a material fact witness about communication dynamics. This is only serious if the evidence suggests coordination or interference.
Exactly. Basically what I done said a couple times already, they're gonna get the digital evidence first. They're gonna get what they're looking for first, and they're gonna base everything off of that. But the most likely scenario, like we said, they just call him to authenticate. They call him as a witness to authenticate the whatever records they get. You know what I'm saying? But if it's serious, you know what I'm saying? If it suggests coordination, he becomes a material fact witness. You know, I'd be surprised if that happened. If that happened, that's gonna shake the table, man. That's gonna shake the whole game. We find out Mr. Lawton been over there really doing some shit, boy. Man, that's gonna be crazy.
So, what is the Texas law on jail communications? Let's break it down and kind of sum it up. All right. In Texas, jail communication rules come from 1, Texas Penal Code, 2, Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, 3, Texas Administrative Code, TCJS regulations, 4, individual county jail policies. This is very important. Dallas County Jail operates under Texas Commission on Jail Standards, TCJS.
So that's where the laws come from, y'all. That's where the laws come from.
So number 1, phone calls from jail. Almost all Texas county jails record outgoing calls, monitor calls, except attorney calls, prohibit 3-way calls, prohibit call forwarding, prohibit commercial use of calls, prohibit harassment or witness intimidation. If an inmate uses the jail phone system, they must follow those restrictions.
Ooh, buddy. Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on, go back. It record outgoing calls, monitor calls, accept attorney calls, prohibit three-way calls, prohibit call forwarding, prohibit commercial use of calls. I just want to expound on that one a little bit. Just want to highlight that one. Let's go. We can move forward.
Number 2, three-way calls. Most Texas jails explicitly prohibit three-way calling, call merging, call routing through third-party apps, broadcasting calls. If someone receives a jail call and patches it into a live stream, places it on speaker for broadcast, connects it to another line, that may violate jail policy. Violation of jail policy does not equal automatically a criminal charge, but it can result in loss of privileges, call restrictions, and disciplinary action.
Let's go, man. You know, hold on before we move on from there. Salute to Radiant Jewels by Rio for coming through with her $20 super chat, man. You feel me? Thank you, Radiant Jewels. She said, "Long live MO3. Happy Valentine's Day. Have a dessert on me." We most definitely will. Because this girl right here loves to eat. You feel me? Now we be going out to eat tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Because she don't feel like doing nothing today. You know what I'm saying? But we will. I'm getting her out the house tomorrow for sure. You know what I'm saying? We most definitely appreciate that, Radiant Jewels, and God bless you, man. Thank you, and happy Valentine's Day to you as well. You know what I'm saying? Now, baby, go back a slide real quick.
Okay, so go back a slide.
Yeah, just one slide.
There you go.
All righty. Where we at? Okay. If someone receives a jail call and patches it into a live stream, check. Places it on speakerphone for broadcast, check.
I'm ready
connects it to another line. We don't know if he's doing it or not, but we most definitely know that he patches it into a live stream. He places it on speaker for broadcast. They most definitely doing that over there. This may violate jail policy, but violation of jail policy does not automatically equal a criminal charge. All right. I just want to expand on that. Now, baby, here I can go to the other one. Hold on, let me get over to the other one real quick. Baby in the bathroom. Okay, it can result in loss of privileges, call restrictions, or disciplinary actions. I just want to highlight this real quick, highlight this one, because we know for a fact that this is going on over there. He patched it to a live stream, place it on speakerphone, but it does not automatically equal criminal charge. We're not saying the boy's in trouble. We just highlighting what's going on over there. You know what I'm saying? Now, again, we don't know because, you know, all these, this just on the surface, all these laws and stuff does have loopholes. And I'm pretty sure if Kewon wasn't able to do it at all, his lawyer would have been told him that, you know what I'm saying, whatever the case may be. Well, he could just be saying, man, fuck what she talking about. I'm finna do this. You know what I'm saying? But, hey, man, we got to see. We're going to have to see what these investigations come about.
All right. I'm back.
Let's go. We can move on.
So we are on the Texas law on jail communications. Number 2, tablets, if used.
Now, pause. We know he used a tablet. You know what I'm saying? Because he go from sounding clear to get that loud air. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, man, some boy, bling. That nigga be sounding terrible over there on that tablet. You know what I'm saying? So he most definitely use a tablet. Let's go.
Many Texas jails use Securus or similar tablet systems. Those systems typically restrict video call usage, prohibit streaming, prohibit commercial rebroadcast, prohibit recording for distribution. If a tablet video call is being live streamed publicly, that can violate platform agreements and jail contracts. Again, this is often administrative, not criminal.
Well, keep in mind, it's not criminal, y'all. It's not criminal. You know what I'm saying? We most definitely know that's going on over there. The same thing as the phone calls being broadcast, patched to a live stream, all of that. You know what I'm saying?
Number 3, Texas Penal Code exposure areas. Now let's look at actual criminal statutes that could come into play, and that's depending on conduct. A, witness tampering, Penal Code 36.05. Occurs if someone intentionally or knowingly attempts to influence a witness, tries to coerce testimony, encourages avoidance of service, encourages false statements. If live stream discussions include naming cooperators with hostile framing, encouraging viewers to confront witnesses, signaling messages toward potential witnesses, prosecutors could examine that under this statute because, guess again, intent matters heavily.
Right, and I keep going back to now. I don't know how they can work this out. You know what I'm saying? Because he most definitely inferred that Jose Bodega. I mean, Bodega is a witness. Now I'm not sure if he ever said it by name, but one time he said Josh put it in the chat. I put Jose Bodega name in the chat before, and he most definitely said, "There you go," some shit like that. And I most definitely heard him say, "Man, that fat ass nigga." So I don't know where they fall under this because it say naming cooperators with hostile framing. You know what I'm saying? I don't know where they fall.
I think when they say hostile, they're meaning more so leaning towards like threats.
Okay,
yeah,
all right.
I think that's what they're leaning toward. They don't care about him calling him a fat ass.
Okay.
B, obstruction or retaliation. Penal Code 36.06. This applies if someone harms or threatens a witness, retaliates for cooperation, targets someone because of testimony. Public commentary alone is not automatically obstruction, but coordination or threats would be serious.
Okay, that's important, y'all. Public commentary alone is not automatic obstruction. All right.
All right. Cherry said, I thought it was weird because usually jail calls make you listen to the name before accepting, and his call from jail did not. Some of them do. Some of his calls do. And she said, that's why Mr. Lawton is the law.
Nah, he most definitely come out and say this blinky bling, man. This your boy Blingo. You know what I'm saying? That's when he feeling good. You know when Kewon ain't feeling too good, he come out and bands on bling. But when he happy, this your boy blinky bling. You know what I'm saying? We most definitely hear it sometimes, you know.
All right. So C, hindering apprehension or prosecution, 38.05. This applies if someone knowingly assists someone in avoiding prosecution, conceals evidence, warns of impending discovery. Live stream commentary rarely meets this threshold unless active coordination is proven. And again,
let's go.
I say that because that's why they're at the investigative stage yet. You know what I'm saying? This hasn't blown into some big, you know what I'm saying, thing. They could be just preserving evidence.
Right, and it probably won't ever blow into no big major thing. You know what I'm saying? Salute to my nigga So Player in the business. I mean, in the building. Dallas business. You might be next, boy. You started this shit. Look, So Player got out the way just in time. You hear me?
You better leave that key alone.
No, salute to my nigga So Player, man. OG in this motherfucking thing, man. You know what I'm saying? So Player got out the way. He said, nah, Mr. Lawton, you can have it. You want it? You can have it, my brother. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. Salute to So Player.
All right. D, commercial use of jail communications.
Got you, Tommy. Now, Tommy told us to look up safety valve or valve. That's what Bodega did. Let me Google that.
Sure will.
I'm about to Google that right now.
D, commercial use of jail communication. This is not usually criminal, but jail contracts often prohibit monetization of inmate communication, broadcasting calls, or commercial exploitation. That usually leads to administrative discipline, not felony charges. All right. So what does the Google subpoena suggest, right? I had to ask myself that, right, in doing research. So the Google subpoena, no, we right? No, we still on, what's the name? My bad, y'all. I went too far. I'm sorry. So we still on the Texas law on jail communications, right? So number 4, discovery discussions. And this is important, right, baby? You listening?
Yeah, I'm listening.
All right. So in Texas felony cases, discovery is provided to defense under Article 39.14, the Michael Morton Act. The defense must not disseminate protected information improperly. Certain materials, especially witness data, are restricted. If an inmate publicly discusses specific discovery contents, witness statements not public, sensitive investigative details, the state could argue violation of protective order, if one exists, attempt to influence proceedings, but it depends on whether a protective order was issued, whether content was sealed, or whether intent to interfere existed. What you think about that one?
Because I keep going back to what he just told us recently. I can go down the line, you know what I'm saying? But it requires me to remember some things. But recently, like I keep saying, Kewon got on her and he told us that they are investigating two people related to the unaliving of Bubba. You know what I'm saying? To me, they got it because we didn't know that. You know what I'm saying? As a content creator, as somebody who's looking, who's covering this, hey man, salute to you, thank you. But for the people that's actually investigating it, there gotta be some. But I don't think he's able to do that now. You know what I'm saying? Because they wanted us to know, they'll let us know that this is what they're doing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So number 5, the monetization issue. Charging money to answer case questions by itself is not illegal, but it raises red flags if jail communication rules prohibit commercial use. Proceeds are structured to circumvent restrictions. Funds are being routed improperly. Texas does not have a strong son of Sam law automatically preventing monetization pre-conviction. So monetization alone is not a crime.
See, we fair here, man. Where hip hop judge at? Somebody they there tonight. Go back to that real quick. I want to make sure.
Oh, go ahead.
You know what I'm saying? I want to make sure. It say charging money to answer questions by itself is not a crime. But here go the nuance, y'all. Here go the nuance. But it raises flags if jail communication rules prohibit commercial use, which we learned that it did. You know what I'm saying? Proceeds are structured to circumvent restrictions. We don't know that. We don't know if he got any type of restrictions on him able to receive money or nothing like that. And funds are being routed improperly. Again, we don't know that, but we know for sure that jail communication rules prohibit commercial use. You know what I'm saying? So we don't know how it's gonna tie in. You know what I'm saying? We gonna look into it. I mean, they're gonna look into it, and we gonna find out in the future, hopefully. You know what I'm saying? But the monetization and all that stuff is not illegal by itself. But the nuances could make it illegal.
All right. So what the Google subpoena suggests, right? If Dallas PD subpoenaed Google, they may be trying to determine whether there was coordination beyond public commentary, whether jail rules were bypassed, whether witness discussion crossed into intimidation, or whether monetization structure violated agreements. This is investigative posture, not necessarily prosecution posture.
Let's go. So they're investigating, not prosecuting. It's
so
not
what is
criminal.
a realistic risk assessment? Most common outcomes in scenarios like this, the jail suspends call privileges. The evidence is preserved for trial. Statements used as admissions and no new charges filed. The more serious outcomes require proof of intentional interference, active coordination, or threat conduct.
And when we talk about the most likely outcomes, not what they finna do right now, but when they receive whatever they investigating at Channel 4, Mr. Law on Channel 4, when it come back, then the outcomes come. You know what I'm saying? So suspended jail call privileges, evidence preserved for trial, statements used as admissions, no new charges filed. You know what I'm saying? They could be the likely outcome after, you know what I'm saying, the investigation. Not right now.
So to sum all this up, family, in the legal chess of it all, how does this impact the board? The bigger risk may not be new charges. The bigger risk is everything said becomes admissible trial evidence. Sometimes the legal exposure is not procedural. It's strategic. And there's y'all legal chess, y'all.
Let's motherfucking go. Mr. Long, you know you didn't fucked up, right? I'm just playing. Nah, man, salute to Mr. Long, man. You know, so I don't wish nothing bad on nobody innocent. You know what I'm saying? I don't wish jail or nothing on nobody innocent. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Mr. Long. You know what I'm saying? I respect his journalism. You know what I'm saying? Even though I don't agree with him on a lot of shit. You know what I'm saying? I respect his journalism, dog. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, there you have it. Once again, baby, want to show them? I can pull it up. This is what we just broke down. You know what I'm saying? Through and through. Discussed all the logical possibilities and outcomes of it. You know what I'm saying? Mr. Lawton channel received the email from them boys. Them boys are lurking. Y'all didn't listen to Plies back in the day. Y'all ain't listen to Plies back in the day, man. But them boys are definitely lurking, man. You know what I'm saying? Mr. Lawton YouTube channel is now currently under investigation. All right. Now don't get too hype on that word investigation. You know what I'm saying? Because it doesn't necessarily mean or automatically mean anything criminal. You know what I'm saying? But hey, they looking for something. They looking for something, or they looking into something. You know what I'm saying? So if you just got here, this is what we breaking down. You know what I'm saying? What we already broke down. Go ahead, rewind it back. You know what I'm saying? And check out the full legal chess breakdown of all the possibilities, why this is happening, what could come from it. Could Mr. Lawton be a witness? We went through all of it, man. You know what I'm saying? So go on, spin the band back if you just got here and check it out, man. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. I'm pretty sure Mr. Lawton will be going live. You know what I'm saying? He told me in the comments, he told me that he got some more stuff coming. You know what I'm saying? So I'm pretty sure Mr. Lawton will go live, clear some things up or clarify some things. But Mr. Lawton, do not go live, act like we over here lying on you, act like we over here running amok on your name.
You know he good at that.
Man, do not do that, because we ain't saying nothing. We discussed all possibilities, all right? We didn't even really predict nothing bad on your name, my guy. If you ask me, they looking for certain things, and they're only going to use you if they need you to be a witness to authenticate whatever it is that they find. That's my prediction. I don't predict that you going to jail. I don't predict that you over there doing anything criminally with intent. I don't predict it. Now, I don't know. Only time will tell. You know what I'm saying? But, hey, man, when you go live, I want to hear it, man. I want to hear exactly what's the outcome of this. I'm pretty sure you lawyered up. You know what I'm saying? Or I want to hear how you going to handle this, man, or what's going to come from this, man. So, Mr. Lawton, if you're listening, keep us informed, man. Keep us in tune on this investigation. Nigga, you made it.
Look what's up, please.
How you get that info? Don't worry about it. Don't worry. The legal chess machine, man. They call it ChatGPT, but we call it the legal chess machine, man. You know what I'm saying? They like to shit on our method. You know what I'm saying? Because all it is a reference. You know what I'm saying? We like to fact check ourselves before we did the live speculating. You know what I'm saying? We did the live saying, man, I think this, I think that. You know what I'm saying? So we took it upon ourselves to fact check ourselves. You know what I'm saying? But even with ChatGPT, you still have to know something to get something from it. You know what I'm saying? You still have to know something. CB got her legal mind. You know what I'm saying? You know how I think so, player. You know what mindset I'm coming from. So you put that together with a little AI, shit, you got a hell of a show. You know what I'm saying? That's why I say
it's just so player, they make it sound so easy, but it ain't as easy as they think. If it was as easy as they think, they could put the show together themselves, but they'll rather shit on our name. You know what I'm saying? And say ChatGPT, you know what I'm saying? But they don't understand the mindset, the two mindsets that go behind that. You have to feed ChatGPT. So when they say that, I just go on and, shove it out because y'all ain't talking about shit. It's still our mind putting it into ChatGPT to create the show.
I accept it, man. I accept it, dog. I appreciate the Tommy. I most definitely accept the flowers, guy. Don't think I just wanted to clarify that I wasn't from Memphis, man. I wasn't from Texas, dog. But I most definitely appreciate it, man. You know what I'm saying? I first with you, Tommy. I appreciate that, man.
Since they hate on the channel and ChatGPT and other chats, then be the first one dropping cheers. Fans, let's go.
And look, they sound so uninformed when they say that, right? Because do they not know that in the real legal field, in the medical field, in high professional fields, they use AI. Now, it may not be today because they got different forms of AI and ChatGPT, but in the legal field, they use it. In the medical field, they use it.
Facts.
So, like, they just be sounding like, but it's more of that ignorance than it is the people that actually know. So, you will waste your time even trying to explain to them people. You know what I'm saying? What it is and what it ain't. You just gotta let them.
And that's why we focus on the love and our supporters. Right. We don't focus on that.
But if they repeated that in certain circles that with knowledge and information that know how the world work, they would sound so stupid. You know what I'm saying? So stupid. So keep, you know what I'm saying, talking about it amongst y'all selves where none of y'all know shit for real. You know what I'm saying? You know, y'all
they don't understand you gotta know enough to know what questions to ask. Facts.
Come on, man. Facts. Come on, man.
Y'all show the hardest in the sector. Keep going. Let's go, so player.
Let's go, man. Appreciate that, OG. You know
but I wanted to show y'all because a lot of y'all might not have got to catch the show yesterday, or some of y'all probably just didn't see this particular document, right? But a document came about, right? Came out Friday, I want to say, and this is notice of extraneous evidence, right? So I want to speak about this because someone called me and was like, I heard that that's evidence that they're trying to leave out, right? Or it's evidence that doesn't really matter to the case.
What's up, Diggy Lee?
Let me explain this to you, okay? This is definitely not evidence they're trying to leave out the case because as you can see, it says State of Texas versus Marquise Conway, meaning the state is bringing this evidence, not the defense. Okay? Let's be clear. And the state is moving under Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 37.07, 38.36, and 38.37, and Texas Rules of Criminal Evidence 404B and 609F. And if you pay attention to notice of extraneous evidence, they're telling you that the defendant, which in this case would be Marquise Conway, has committed these crimes. So the state plans on introducing this in to trial, right? Let's move forward because it's very important in here, right? This timeline is very, very important. And I'm going to tell y'all why it's important to legal chess. Because again, if you want to deny our theory or say that we're not credible, I ask that you go back to certain episodes, specifically the 219 theory, and see if what we discussed in that episode matches up with the state's timeline. Because remember, this came after the 219 theory episode.
Way after.
Let's take a look at the timeline, y'all. Let's go. Date. We have 12/10/2013. Music. Meet Me at the Spot. By who? Get Rich.
GRC.
GRC, correct.
And I'm real quick, and it's the first time, y'all, we see GRC actually coming to this trial. You know what I'm saying? This is the first time that we see the GRC gang actually coming to this trial. And that's important, but we gon' go ahead, baby.
5/28/2017, Hector Wilkins shot. 5/30/2017, Hector Wilkins died. 8/1/2017, Roy Lee is jumped. 10/20/2017, Six Pick, Trap Boy Freddy featuring Get Money Lil Ronnie, Go Yayo, Sleazy Beezy, and Yellow Beezy. 9/25/2018, Roy Lee shot. 10/13/2018, Roy Lee dies. 10/14/2018, Yellow Beezy shot. 11/7/2018, The Breakfast Club Power 105.1 interview, Yellow Beezy.
Let's go.
11/16/2018, 97.9, The Beat interview, Yellow Beezy. 12/26/2018, Trap Boy Freddy Sprinter is shot. 2/21/2019, 2/19, MO3. March 5th, 2019, 221, MO3. 3/13, 2019, James Browning murdered. 4/6, 2019, Cam Capone MO3 interview, MO3. Let's move to the next slide.
I got you, Tommy.
Here we go. 7/27, 2019, Unruly Citizens Concert, Yella Beezy and MO3 in Frisco, y'all. Remember that. 7/28, 2019, IG Live about Frisco, MO3. 7/28, 2019, the All-Star Magazine repost of Yella Beezy Instagram live.
Hold on.
Yella Beezy, go ahead.
Now, and this is why, and we talked about the Frisco incident too.
Correct.
We most definitely talked about and we most definitely said and predicted that they would most definitely be in this trial. You know why? Because throughout this whole beef, it was street shit. But the Frisco incident, especially according to Mo3, that's the first time where authorities was involved. According to Mo3, you know what I'm saying? Yella Beezy told the authorities that that him and Mo3 got smoked. He don't want to be in the same venue with them. So that took it from the streets to now it's legal documentation of this feud. But go ahead, baby. I ain't gonna expound too much on it because we got a whole show around this.
7/30, 2019. Let Me Find Out by Mo3. 8/7, 2019. Yella Beezy interview with DJ Vlad. 9/28, 2019. The IBF welterweight fight in LA. 9/29, 2019. DeJuan Spikes is murdered. That is Fat Mac, y'all. 10/18, 2019. Trap Boy drops Guardian Angel. 12/13, 2019. Love I Had by Mo3. 1/26, 2020. Rainwater jumped at V-Live. Now listen to me, y'all. This is why I say you got to be careful on who you listen to and who you retain information from, because extraneous offenses does not mean that the state is trying to keep it out. Why would they keep Rainwater jumped at V-Live out if Rainwater is a subpoenaed witness and very important to this case? Think about it logically.
Right.
All right. 2/20, 2020. Rainwater V-Live civil suit filed. 2/25, 2020. Keep It in the Streets, Yella Beezy. 4/27, 2020. Lil Mexico by Mo3. 5/8, 2020. On Your Head, Yella Beezy and Trap Boy Freddy. 5/15, 2020. Rajay Robertson is killed. That's Dro, y'all. 6/17, 2020. Harder Than Yours by Jose Bodega. 6/23, 2020. I Am the Truth by Mo3. 7/6, 2020. Robert G is shot. 9/7, 2020. Trap Boy Freddy is shot. 9/19, 2020. We have the V-Live shooting in Houston. 9/26, 2020. First Day Out by Benzo Bling. Kewon, y'all. 10/21, 2020. Rubber Bands by Trap Boy Freddy. We're moving on to the next slide. Here we go. 10/31, 2020. Circuit TV YB Live Ava Center with Kewon White. Yella Beezy and Kewon White. Now, this is what confused me. Didn't Kewon say he didn't know Yella Beezy?
Come on, man. Or something like that. And then what they meant by contradicting evidence on live, contradicting evidence.
11/11, 2020. Unfortunately, Mo3 is murdered. Check this out, y'all, right here.
Robert G is one of Trap Boy homies.
Yeah, he's one of the Trap Boy homies. He's the one that was driving down 75 and got hit in the head.
That's the one with the face, the thing.
He has the head injury. Yeah, that's him.
He's still alive, but he the one. If you ever see him with Trap Boy, you could tell he got
his eye is kind of messed up, and yeah. So check this out. So 11/11/2020, y'all, Mo3 is murdered. 11/11/2020, the same day Mo3 is murdered, Trap Boy Freddy IG post. 11/11/2020, Yella Beezy drops Take 3, Yella Beezy. 11/14/2020, Boosie is shot. 11/30/2020, Gassed Up by Yella Beezy. 12/30/2020, Tool on You, Jose Bodega featuring Yella Beezy and any related videos or photos. February 5th, 2021, by this time, 3 is gone, y'all. The First by Benzo Bling featuring Jose Bodega comes out. 4/9/2021, They Can't by Mo3. 4/9/2021, Out the Gym by Mo3. 4/9/2021, Money Maya by Mo3. 8/5/2021, Laugh Now by Trap Boy Freddy. 8/5/2021, Drizzy by Trap Boy Freddy. 8/5/2021, Hypocrite by Trap Boy Freddy. 8/5/2021, Shirt by Trap Boy Freddy. 8/5/2021, Guap Now, Trap Boy Freddy. 8/5/2021, Obama by Trap Boy Freddy. 8/27/2021, Slide on Them by Mo3. And 8/27/2021, Get Back by Mo3. Now, let me tell y'all why this, you can't listen to people that say extraneous evidence means that they're trying to keep it out. It's irrelevant. How is it irrelevant in the state dropped this document, basically giving a timeline to the defense saying, we plan on introducing these extraneous offenses. And let me tell y'all something else. Why all of that it's irrelevant. They're not trying to use it. Well, why would the defense file a motion of limity to leave this shit out? Think about it, y'all.
And they dropped this right after the motion of limity because they don't understand.
Correct.
They don't understand why we call this legal chess, right? They think it's just a cool name we came up with, but this is the game that's being played. Okay, this you saying in the motion of limity, you saying this ain't true, that ain't true, this ain't true. Okay, boom, this is our response. You know what I'm saying? Okay, y'all want to strike all that out. Well, we got all this to go. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Like, so, you know what I'm saying? It's they just look at a case on the surface. They don't understand the legal evidence, man. They don't understand the legal chess of it all. Fate said extraneous evidence may be used to show motive, opportunity, intent, or to rebut defensive theory.
There you go.
And that's why I was telling people that was running with that motion of limity, be careful. Because this is only the defense's theory. This is the defense side. There's no rebuttal in this paperwork. You know what I'm saying? So this is basically the rebuttal. They just ain't weeded what's in and what's out yet and how they're gonna present it in trial. But this is the rebuttal to what was said in that motion of limity. But we're gonna do a whole show on this, y'all. We're gonna do a whole show. Somebody said break down the Houston, Texas. We're gonna say this. And we're gonna say this. I'm gonna say this because it was ran with, right? That, man, what happened at 3 in Houston that had nothing to do with the Dallas shit. Woo. If that's true, right? If that wasn't one of the first attempts on 3, why is it in this case? Just ask yourself that question. If they shootout in Houston, right? Because they shootout in Houston with Mo3 happened a week or so before 11/11?
About that, around that time, yep.
Yeah, that was a week before 11/11. If it's true that ain't had nothing to do with what happened to Mo3 on 11/11, why is the state trying to present it in this particular case? I'm just saying. You know what I'm saying? But we have a whole live set up about this. Like we got to take our time with this because I want to make sure we hit detail for detail. You know what I'm saying? Detail for detail, and we break down everything we need to break down. You know what I'm saying? I was planning on doing it today, but I was like, nah, we ain't finna rush this. We gotta really, you know what I'm saying? So expect the live breaking that paperwork down next week. Cause tomorrow we got church tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? We got church tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? We be over there on New World TV. Let me drop the link in the chat. You know what I'm saying? Real quick. Baby just went off on somebody. I don't know who she was talking about though.
Hell yeah, they get on my nerves.
Hold on, man. If y'all ain't got no church on, man, you know what I'm saying? Y'all want to come kick it with the fam, you know what I'm saying, over there. You know what I'm saying? This is where you could catch us over there, man. Sunday service, man. You know what I'm saying? New World TV. You know what I'm saying? Tap in with us, man. You know what I'm saying? So yes, I got that to do tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Monday, I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm gonna chill Monday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, we will most definitely be back. And I want to break down this Dolph situation, man. Cornelius just took a plea deal, and in that plea deal, he most definitely said that Big Jook paid him. You know what I'm saying? So I think it's only right, man, that we bring that Dolph case into the legal fold. Because what does that mean for Yo Gotti? You know what I'm saying? What does it mean for the Dolph trial? Is this thing finna continue? Because we know Big Jook dead. You know what I'm saying? So what does that mean? You know what I'm saying? So I most definitely want to bring that into the fold. What's this, guy?
The world that comes and goes, but few people really know what it means to really love somebody. Love.
I just wanted to share that with y'all. I thought that was very,
was that Miss Nicole?
Yeah, she was singing.
Play that one more time. Play that one more time. Man. You snuck that on me. Y'all drop them gorillas in the chat, man. Drop them gorillas in the chat as this play, man. Let's go, man. You cooking, girl. You on production and everything. You surprising me with videos, man. Godly.
Don't make me smile. Hold on, let me get back to it, y'all. Let me get back to it. Hold on. Gotta get to my 80s page.
Yeah, man. But it ain't too late to hit the like button. Yeah, that was very dope, man. They want you to play it again. What's up, Blind Wayne?
I'm finna play it for y'all.
Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button for us, man. It ain't too late to hit the like button, please.
There you go,
with that paperwork, real quick, that paperwork we just showed y'all, once again, we will be doing a whole live on it this coming week. All right?
All right, so let me share it. Here y'all go. Let me go down so y'all can hear her. Hold on, let me make it big for y'all.
You ain't up there, baby. You ain't sharing it. So I'm gonna add it.
Up there.
You have to start it over.
Tell me when it's up there.
It's up there.
Okay.
The world that comes and goes, but few people really know what it means to really love somebody. Love.
All right, let it play. Let it play. Let it play. Let it play.
The world that comes and goes, but few people really know what it means to really love somebody. Love.
Yeah,
all right. Man. Salute to Miss Nicole, man. Prayers up for Miss Nicole. You know what I'm saying? We as a family, as a YouTube channel, man, we pray for continued strength for Miss Nicole. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of us, we excited for this trial, man. You know what I'm saying? But I'm pretty sure that the closer and closer, I'm pretty sure she's going through all types of emotions. You know what I'm saying? Like, it don't get easier for a mother that lost her son, the breadwinner. You know what I'm saying? Her oldest son. You know what I'm saying? So I'm pretty sure, like, she probably have anxiety about this trial. Of course, she wants justice, but you know, this brings back all the emotions that you probably ain't even got done mourning over in the first place. So, man, as a family, as a group, man, we just want to say, man, salute to Miss Nicole, and we praying that Miss Nicole has continued strength. Do it for all of us, guys. Strengthen her, keep her strong, and keep her wheel strong. Just keep her strong, man. Cause that was touching right there. That was touching, man. That was touching. And
all
yes,
right.
and yes, we're gonna start posting the foundation link. We got to make sure I'm gonna let CB reach out to. She need to reach out to. You know what I'm saying, to make sure we got the right donation cash app, whatever it is it may be. You know what I'm saying. So therefore, we can know that whatever we choose to send, you know what I'm saying, can go to the right place in the right hands. So she ain't gonna ask for nothing. Miss Nicole is not gonna come here and ask for nothing, and you probably gonna have to sneak and give it to her. You know what I'm saying? Because this type of woman she is.
Well,
like,
that goes to the donation for the foundation. So that would be for the betterment of what she's trying to display for her son, which is love. Contrary to people's belief, Mo3 loved helping people. You know what I'm saying? I know we hear about Osama a lot, but Melvin loved helping the homeless, giving to the homeless, and that's her way of giving back in her son's honor to give back to the homeless, prepare them food. Y'all see her doing that a lot. So yeah, I'll make sure, because I got to make sure that's the correct donation link. I don't like dropping links that I'm not correct, because all I got to do is, what's the name, reach out and send, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we'll get that donation link, and then we'll make sure that y'all have that next live.
And one more thing before we get up out of here, man, don't forget, man, Cole Gotti, you know what I'm saying? Cole Gotti, his mixtape / album will be coming soon, man. The Product of Pain. The Product of Pain, man. This is the album cover. You know what I'm saying? He have yet to say a release date on this album yet, but we're going to be promoting, man. We're going to do our part. You know what I'm saying? We just ain't finna sit up here and talk about 3, you know what I'm saying, and even benefit off 3 name, and don't put no respect on his family and everything else he got going on, man. You know what I'm saying? So the link is pinned at the top of the chat. Cole Gotti's YouTube channel. It's pinned at the top of the chat. Family, go subscribe to his YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? And even if you go over there and play a song, tell it, hey, type in the comments, Room 901 sent us here. You know what I'm saying? So let them know Room 901 sent us here, man. But this is Cole Gotti album that will be coming very, very soon. When he put an official date on it, we'll most definitely let y'all know. But expect to see this every live stream we do about Mo3. All right, we're going to be promoting this every live stream. You know what I'm saying? So please go subscribe to Cole Gotti on YouTube, man. You know what I'm saying? The link is pinned to the top of the chat, or you could just simply search Cole Gotti in the search bar. You know what I'm saying? But let's run the bro up, man. He independent. He ain't really got the big machine behind him like Mo3 did. So let's do our part, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's pour into him the same way we'll pour into Mo3. You know what I'm saying? So let's make sure we do that. Product of Pain, most definitely coming through. And I know if y'all like me, I like that Pain music. I'm a huge fan of Cole Gotti, not just because he's Mo3 brother. I like his music. I like that mulatto Pain music, man, because I've been through some things. You know what I'm saying? And I most definitely rock with that Pain music, man. So shout out to Cole Gotti, and we're going to do our part, man, you know what I'm saying, to push him and make sure he have a good outcome on that album. Go subscribe, man. Run them up. The link is pinned at the top of the chat. But, baby, you got anything else you want to say before we get up out of here?
No, thank you, family, for supporting us. As always, y'all are greatly appreciated. We love y'all. If you hit the like button, if you supported the channel in a monetary value way, greatly appreciated. All things we are greatly and truly appreciative for. So thank y'all for always supporting Legal Chess, being here. Y'all energy is what we need. Positive energy, love. Let's keep doing it. Let's keep pushing forward. Let's not pay attention to the haters. Let's just do what we do and keep running it up and keep doing this for 3. Long live Mo3 forever.
Y'all already know, man, the objective is always the same, man. Long live Mo3, justice for Mo3. Expect to see us, God willing, expect to see us, man, you know what I'm saying, at that trial, boots on the ground, giving y'all that face-to-face, on the ground content, man. But look, once again, to reiterate what CB said, we love y'all, we appreciate y'all, and y'all already know, man, we gonna lead this bitch the same way we came in every single time, man, even in a room full of 100 haters, because y'all see what's going on, man. We ain't gonna change, we ain't gonna waver, man. We're gonna always remain some real ones, man. You know what I'm saying? I pray that y'all do the same, man. Be real with yourself. Be real to those who are real to you, man. It's the easiest way in life is just to reciprocate energy, man. So always be real with yourself and be real with those that's real with you, man. Keep God first. Keep God first in your life, man, and stay prayed up. And when you saying those prayers, throw a prayer in the sky for me and CB, man, because we most definitely need them, man. This was another dope episode. We love y'all. It's the day of love, man. Love on yourself. Love the ones that love you. You feel me? And because it's that day, man, we're going to get out of here with a little bit different. We ain't going to play the theme song. Y'all already know it's only us. Don't let them in, man. We're going to lead it a different way, man. Happy Valentine's Day from Room 901 to y'all, man. We love y'all. We appreciate y'all, and we are nothing without y'all, man. Salute. We're going to see y'all early next week, man. Happy Valentine's Day. Long live 3. Salute.
Hey, where you going, Kewon fans? Like, what you want?
Nah, I don't mean no harm. I ain't tryna chase you down, nothing like that. Look though. Like, I really like you. You look pretty. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thugging my pants sagging like that. Nah, this ain't no gun on me, this fake. But look though. Wasn't trying to meet you, caught me by surprise, yo. Then I pulled a Maserati right beside you, yo. You told me you don't care about that, I'm like, yo, what up? You like for real, I'm like, girl, chill, I'm just playing, I swear. Swag on a million, got 1,000 ways to show you that I want you, hope you listen. Got a couple hoes on my dick right now, don't play them hoes, no tension. Won't go broke for a messy bitch, and don't want the bitch in my business. Is you with it? Started out texting me, now you look crazy when a hoe look at me like you push. You know I'm a dog and I make you waterfall. When I touch it, make you rain. I beat that pussy wall to wall. She gon' let me do it all. Whatever you do, girl, I can do better. Whatever you want, girl, I'ma go get her. Miss Aquafina, oh yeah, you wet ya. But I'm a demon, I get it wetter. You might think that I be lying when I say every time I see you, girl, you bragging on my name. It's 3 o'clock on the dot, I'm in the spot, want you to come over. On late nights when I'm laying down, tryna sleep, yeah. I need you on side of me, you a freak, yeah. Get on top of me and ride it like a Jeep, yeah. And when we fuck, you like to fuck up all my sheets, hell yeah. I told my partners I ain't tripping right now, she might be the one. I told my partners if she call right now, you know I'm leaving, yeah. I'm catching feelings, I can't lie, love the way she hold my gun. But she can't shoot it, but she like, babe, look, I'ma use it if they come, yeah. We on a different road now, she like, put your phone down, and baby, gon' talk to me. Then she tell me slow down when I drop that wall now. She know that I be diving deep. Whatever you do, girl, I can do better. Whatever you want, girl, I'ma go get her. Miss Aquafina, oh yeah, you wet ya. But I'm a demon, I get it wetter. You might think that I be lying when I say every time I see you, girl, you bragging on my name. It's 3 o'clock on the dot, I'm in the spot, want you to come over.